made of war. Me ma kwaba at the Badum TV. I dare me denise and that's so do a video to Aduma, which can crunch and some way. When I mean shirao, papa. When I mean me na so fancy, no ma na candia and count 100 day. Na me ye din yaro ne. Me, Ediam Yeso and Ita Kutego. One was saying, me, Juma, what Minister of Health, Kakra, me, Abrantiano. Now, Minister of Health, the policy, and I, on Kratabi, I think Timua, also the Bubra, your AIDS policy, your hand washing policy, your infection control policy, your name, I think Timua, a boy who buy a free at the and necessarily the policies for success, and I'm the Brawo. Sasun and Puntu, there's one policy. And in the Fakrata naturally, the first policy of success is curiosity. Curious. That's the first policy of success. If you want to be successful, you have to have the ability to open your mind to new ideas. Curiosity. Be curious about things. And so to me, be a dream. Now I feel you say, now we change some. And then same be any tea. And you be any tea. You want someone I say will be a washroom. Not be a way, now any ye. You need to be curious. Now, what should you maybe? Say, open alternative views. Your children will be. Eh, dear children, me, papa. A dear bit of me, a shia, a faho. A child can be a fast kumase. I should come for I met me a faho. You be curious about life. You need to have ways of solving problems. Kwambo, a child say, or one I'm crying yet there. So, I say, I saw one I'm passing yet there. You need to be curious about things in life. That is the first law of success. Stop living in fear and worry. Instead, take control of your life. Remember, everything is possible for you. It is important to remind yourself that you don't have to be an expert in everything. But you can always become better. So the first policy of success is to be curious, to open up yourself to learning new things. The second policy is to learn from failure. Obi a ye bia friend was ana obi a wadi mu bia brabo no obeka ne da cha asem akire wo he na me sua no na me yesei na me koton dokono na me tompie water na me hwiase na ebom me na ye tia me obi a wanya ye die bia no e wo na anu bia asem o fa mu wakase ni nyina me bugu machi na me call many. So you have to learn from your painful days. You have to learn and embrace learning. And learn from your failure. Learning from your mistakes, learning from your disappointments, learning from your difficult circumstances, and you will move on. And then I will share another day, our warrior woman. And then I will share our brabo boimu. Now, I got to there, Antonio, then I will share ye. I say, we should buy. Now, policy be at the buy an annual yamano, then I will share free mu. I saw a niebi. I saw a from so be away ye. You need to learn. The second policy for success is to have a learning attitude. Number 3, challenge your negative views. To be successful, where okaso be ye pe o bo ntimi ye wo sa woni hwan o jai where de muntimi ye wo ye Ghana ni muntimi ye ebia na wanya timopo bi enya da esu bi se pese bi soronko na abegro nsema abegu wadwen proso. So be years I begura sem no to twene metimi ayo. Recognize your negative perceptions and identify your self-talk and change your beliefs. Niamiji de no kure. Niameka ne kwanso no. What evidence do I have to support this belief? What can I do to change my belief? What can I do to change my thinking? What can I do to change my circumstance? So you have to let go the negative thoughts. Challenge it. So that's the third policy for greatness. The fourth one here, cultivate a positive mindset. Focus on what you can do better. Focus on what you can see and think about better. Focus on what will work than what will not work. Focus on what you can do and start doing it than what you cannot do. So, mama First one here, to open your mind, be curious. Second one is say obe sua de abri biara. Third one is say obe tun your man ensem fata egu. And a fourth one is say what do I be tun de bet me Kenya wo ho na ahye ma na ma watum pon ho. Me gini say maka bibia kire ode. Abrabo ayebo say that bia no kase obeyo a wa dwe bet me aka wa hye o wontimi nye enkoyie saa dwe no to kyene. Na suade na ben woni a won aye bida woni oni nkobo na hwa kwane a ofa so eye mi ametu yi juma me de nyina mo nkofo be ma hwe o ma no ne ye fa ba ko TD Jakes ye fa ba ko John Hagee ye fa ba ko Paula White Miles Moreau Mike Murdoch Crefedola. These are people I've listened to. I have changed my mindset. There are people you need to listen to. There are people you don't have to listen to change your mindset. If you're able to change the way you think, you change your life for the best. Abrabo enye edine. Abrabo ne din ene wadwene. Saso na abrabo ne ye die ene ne mreyo ene wadwene. Kanioma enye egu fagu bolemu na Kenya ho na kansempa egu wadwene proso. Onyame nhira. Onyame nka ho. Onyame ma wa abrabo enso abapa e ma ho na abusua ne oman. No nyame entina me dofo me ma kwaba e de Badom TV ade e me dane se ene so wo de wa fidi ato adom a wo hwe nkranhye nsɛmwe onyame nhira papa onyame mie na so fancy na ma na kade enka ho na dai na ma yide nware wo ne me edi am yeso ani takotego wo se me ye adwuma wo Ministry of Health kakra me abrante no na Minister of the policy ana ye won krata bi atintimu a yeso di bubura ya
mwachi biem samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam so yadani tekote gwasene ni nkranhye nsama no pai so ebra so se yade Adom kase ne bro nsam ne do so ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini tamale tanker drivers so ese wo mo ko strike ede na Kenya yede sansam no ebebro na fe yakwa kumase edwane mu ne yakwa akohwe yesese tomatoes buo no ayedene ewo ho ede ne no so amabuo na kosoro sansam no ede nsembia no pai yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase ne nam ho na wo Go TV a channel 176 na DSTV channel ne 280 mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die kwan sutie se den samni chiremu ankasa etie water tanker drivers water male mensi mu no wo se ne de adwuma no wo nyanye bi mu kra wo etwa ban ne so obeba ababeboa wo masem nyina ne se ensuo bo no so no mkoto no ne bo na ye den dodo nti wo so ntumi fa bi nto so na ye hia e wo ye fie ne ye office no ye nsuo benya bi wo masem ni Adom TV kase etoso
aka ma aban na mpanyimfo na wo wodo no de ye bre because wetum nsuo ni sika na bia wotum ye no ye ho adekura ebado na omutum ne dam because yare to ye to abaye 80 ye nim de ebekwa akoto ma ho na woton na mo wone do ya ha no ho na wani nsu mmia no ho na odo so ho na wo wansu ntusu mmaye na ehwe de ye na ye bua nkwafo wasisi aye ye nchiriwa aba 1 week na obi ani nsu oha de wodi bakoma woye ye be sala na aye eyi bibiala ye ntumi ye because kana wodi tum no obi ase won tum ntonsu no nti yesra aban ye de boapaye na ye yesra aban de sa aban wonima wonka wonim so a yerka na omo adi amano na ohwe du maye na aman nko juju maye because ye bre
Emani boni etwa so ene ahyenkafuo yi a wonboafuo yi ne etwetwe nkomo ama wonom ede adesrede eto abayenim.
Show us the reason why he increased the price. Yenya bro, abai Nanado. You say you are citizens, we are citizens. So that kind of bills that you are giving us, we can't entertain that bill. The amount you are giving, no the region, nobody can buy water 10 million. Even the 2.5 people cannot afford money. So what are you telling us? Do you want to say you are a leader, you don't mind, or you don't care?
Yako kumase edwano emu ababeto dwase nei entoso wo akosoro pa wo muchire mu ananke brebi afia mu ahyase no wɔn tontos box no 600 sɛ ehwiri kɔ 2500 wɔn de wɔn susu sɛ sefa no ɛna no boa akɔsoro na afei Boko Haram fo no so aba bɛgye hɔ abɔ so nti ɛna aba na basa Adom kaseɛ ɛtwa so
5 cedi obi to a wutimi kyem na 50 wucha mu obi enye yi yeto a enya hwe
eno achi akua mansa ya ono yedwedeni ba akɔkɔfa niema edi fi amafoforo so de ma oman mu enso kyerɛ mpredodo a pabonifo bi to hyɛ omo so enam sokora ema akuafo nsia ewu amono mu hɔ a ya won sika kɛse nso de ehwere wɔ
ya mikodu ye mikokro bi hyɛfrɛ wɔten kologo mikodu ye macha madaka ye te niema menka bi nhyɛ mu beti sɛ wo mu bo obi edwane efedi ohwa nkrofo bi nie santam to de obi akon buwe ye beto me yesi minsi me se eja me sha atale yesi si me se me sha atale yesi si me sim beto tomanto na mbeto me ka ohwe me saa wo se jai na me se papa mate ye me jatna ka anu me wo wa me patron me driver me ne ko ye hwe driver ni aye hu no afi makochi nipa be go birebe de be hu ane se yentuka ne nko me ne ma togu nyina matua bi ka majane me nyina wo ho bi ye patron so ye mo bre driver na de ka ne ba ye ja patron nipa nsia guo manimu a pempe ya kuni pa ses ni nyina ya kuni pa ses ni nyina ya sa pam ye me ne ma min to se matua ka me jan to se ni fa majane nyina wo ho majan to se ni nyina wo na metuka sa ba ye Betibokina de said
Odikro ne na de hye ya wo nkachina number 1 eye ekokuma bia wo pan diamonds ni mu wo northern region wo mo de wade srepa na eto mpanifo anim se wo mo hye school dan bia SS unit classroom bi panifo mra meye ma won tam se be ya schoolfo ebenya so mfaso
asem ehia ye na ye de ene kasia tiemu na be abesi sadan amaye na nkwala no eda suti patamu ka ba ye dane hwe ka na nkwala suti mi free pie abontini e wo ka ne kwanso dangerous maye na school fafefe yasi denti na yasi ekọ nhie numuni school imasi enya ndai na montimi mbue maye na school children no enya adwuma school so necessary nkoda na yewo from P4 to 5 no wo munyina pue ekọ bebi ti se kwanda sei na school ni gina ho
kasamafo ema emebu na wonom ewo nkanchina number 1 ene temamufuo enso de to yamani boni enimu se ensem a odikuro ene ne mpanyimfo ede atudwa no onom fo aso pa
school na omo abesi wa ha almost 5 to 6 years no excuse me to use garage na school nkwala etina mko school no enye efe omo nya comfortability se omo nsu ade enti esra ban ene assemblements and authority say omo mebue school apono no emma nkwala na omo nya akonya nsu ade bebi omo tena no sense oto a omo ntime na nsu ade abrekura mo abesi school a den fefe asi ho school no
asia ya ehwe nwumasua so se de public basic schools no eye enrade wo nyina sa bie school ya wo mo aba na kasamafo wo Ministry of Education ora kwasi kwaten ene chechire mo de to enu abai makojo mensa brampa KMA anymore
academic calendar Ghana Education Service in Penimfo yene enuanom unions of what trans ene nyina ya agree titiri achachefo wono nyina ka ho bi na wono ebubu aho a na ade ba ko ezo hunu se uze calendar ne nyina no ehye ne yese ebetimi kakra ka ebe mmia ye ho a na yetimi revert back to the old system because we say from COVID time na nya disruption within the calendar but yeah for so as ebeye and we 10th January 2023 and sabrina no onmo abie school kusi 24th March ana mofra no school 25th March onmo ema kwan kusi 2nd April yanra nti enne edey and onmo abie school nti officially onmo abie school schools bebre mofra ne bebre record a onmo ewo ho
Uri esan so de to yamani boni enimu se adesuafo a wonom ewo entiaso school mu a wonom ejina form 1 no nanko wo hwe enimu kwan se oforisu obosome de to sudu miensa enanko wo bema kwan nenso wonom atwea ba enu mu a ne senti no oforisu obosome de to sunsia afimpinu ene edunu miensa ya wo de ya wonom ebefi
Moko school 20th of February. Now expected second number one the 13th of April. But over 13th na Nyamepa Friday AD and which is 7th. Statutory holiday because of Easter. Adiachi a weekend. Adiachi Sunday view. Monday 10th. As we Easter. In the end, I for one more cry na a day. Sir, friend say. I don't know to
my nkwa santemantam ni mo na swafo hwoso ya Simon Osemensa na enra na beto dwa saduane wo mo no aduane school feeding for no wo mo se ye de wo mo kanti ye ntuade a aduane wo mo nyanye ne no ho no e no swafo ya ba be kasa nsem odi to dwa eni
emeyi koswa eyedede kosise Gloria Temagambra eba ho no mu a wobeje enkrata ode beto asoye no enim Mercy Ofosumensa ene ye panyimpa woda emeyi ano oni Adom kase atwetwe enkomo
element say we dey school efika ko 2 cities oga so le kono 3 years no kan ye ebesi na 3 years no yama ye 97% abe pemene the last time oba kan no oba kam anybody ada ya na say oba kam ko fon say ye tuasika and 19 no ye see a school feeding ka na my we so bro no da ka kunyan ye wo sikari so maye
anopa no ena caterers awomo enu school feeding aduane efrimensini awodo mu ewa santemantemu ebehia ye ewa regional school feeding coordinator aso ye edebeto wonim se sa ban ede wo mo katwitwiridi a wontu aye de enya ade aduane no wobenu abiem otwemu se wonsika akaka mu nyina no ban entuama wo mo ansana ahye wadwuma ase
ya no ya si ya no 3 months ya na ya tua ya iska na ya sanu aba besoso na ya no school feed afi ensu ya tua ya ka ya no wo ni asem bi asa ya sika na wo mo fa ya no wo mo ametre iska na sia ya betinto si okokwa agufa ma kire wo mo
isan se meyi ekire se aban entua won sika na ma wo mo a enya ade obenu aduane nti basic schools awodo wa santemantemu school feeding program yi wa munya mu chefa anhwe yi a na wa enya aduane enni
Edipa baako epra na ni nyina ne se wo mu hunu nipa bi osusu se wo ye langat fo ya wo mdodo no be 20 na land secretariat office wo mu abo awura mu ho no madwumayefo ye wo ho wo mu abrobro binum ne ade wi akire so office wo mu atwaja e de atum e wa shalaja Adom kase etwaso
ena yehu so mu de ka bebre bae wo mu be sei nema e wa ha no ni nyina omo ba mo boboye camera no mo siseye nti omo koye the second one so mo san buy omo say bibia so biom omo san say be third one omo buy no na omo so your friend say eja nti I am say ya ka kira omo say ya na aya yes because yes say documents omo documents no yes say me say be frampo e dey possible omo the second day chi o across fire
ni Kadri Osmanu eye atufo hene ewa Salaja wode ato IGP animu se oma na ni enkwa Salaja ho se be obetimi abomanfo ene ajapade nyina ho ban
na yes IGP yes ya ni pa se onfa na ni nsu Salaja from ha na omo asundin bra Salaja because Salaja judgment wo ha na nsu atemu hu ena omudi nam se omuye mukokoko na amanfo bribe ni amaniama ena mudi se ade nsu na nsu bra ni de ho
panyini a wono en wo hye Akuna Royal Family Secretariat and so at the same bit to dra.
When I heard somebody has went and burned our office, my preliminary investigation tells me that it is one Obene who sent Langas to go and burn my office. I went there personally to inspect. It wasn't from our side. I think the police came in the morning to invite my general manager that they wanted him for questioning. He followed them and went to the regional headquarters. He was questioned.
Adroba for be the course more day mark 24 and our passengers. So best woman so more chew on share walk catch tia so pentam near Jen Kabayan womunyai na sa pressure and hard journey and no can who been in Quenchiano. Adom TV Cassiane drop of Webi Ekasai.
I don't know what they have. And I'll carry about the sound, carry beer and I would tune out the book and a radio sound.
omo ba say me pentama kwa na oni nyina mu ntwa so na ye nyina car no so ba foka make sure say car na wo for na car papa
se okopie mu ewo station bia station masters edi dwumason ewo ekwan so jojo mu pa amane boni eko circle odona no woni station masters ni bi eko twetwe nkomo a wonom so abo ahyenkafo no koko
Easter na yeba no ye ne driver fo ne hye eno amu kasa sesia no said the wiase ko accident ni nyama nti omuntu omu boas obi antu ni boas ye mpese betie se ni sei
ensu ni nyina mu no Pearl Adesu Setakla ya wo ye PRO ewo National Road Safety Authority a kire nhyehyeye a wonom asoe no ede egu akwan mu
wa pedestrian wan protect your life and twa kwan mu obebi esa wutwa na wan shatale esa wo hye bebi esa wo fa wan hwe ye na ka bi akobo wo driver se wanya hweye na koye reckless indiscipline wo ba kokun wan kasa ho afoforo any innocent people
wasan so ede kokobo emane ahyenkafo a wotwi trucks tenten ya na wo park si kwan enchen ye nam so ema kwanhia esie
sa cars ankese no mu sese sisi ye kwan so especially Kumase kwan so Burkina Faso Togo cars ne Niger Mali no omo contribute to crashes pa nti ya adwun say ye ne service provider bekasa na ye ni police nti ye si kwan no so from China eko ene kroma start but from China ko mu ebeye den na o car say ya police be fresh ato vehicle ye yia na ya say charge
Enkoko beposo taxi drivers nso abontrene se wo Easter de emu no wombehwe na agenti abo lorry fare wo matum wonyina so woni Adom kase edin komoyi.
Muslims, I think prayer doctrine is important not to skip the dawn meal, as they are not to take anything, whether drink or fruit, during the day. So it's advisable to be taking primarily water, not fizzy drinks, carbonated or sugary drinks. They are not healthy for our
Before taxi drivers, me and Sanko Bim na yenkotie won somebody to jano.
O to the ebetum. The ebetum ni say one say nkrofo bebre so be free Accra no mane Kufodua no msa anaba. Ti ba sa be ma traffic ayden aba. Nti sere ne kromu da ho ayetimi kọ ede ba ne. Eduru satem na yentimi nkọ sa ama.
Ahobade aye sere be ya ayi asem bia ama ya boaboa ho. Se ede ayi passengers ne awon beba na be hwe omuye sere be ya asem tu bia. Ba nwumre de won se traffic na ade ne nti no. Ene so betena ka mu de a ebetim ne kakra ka ho ama.
Ade no obedu ba bi nipa ne be buso. Nipa ne buso on wan de on prices beba. Bo timi pa cho se driver me pa chew. O de ebe ma 2020 na ebe ma 30 fire foro. Wo enu mo mu yesin se na wa do pe. Wo hu o do pe no ebe tum. Me se me de nkrofo ka. Won ti sa bra fi na kosi ne Jordan no ene na otwe no. Asa me de pesa esika no.
Oh, ne tutu mo nde ya na nya yen pe. Se bia obefiri ngokoba be duru suru 3 hours now da su edile mu. Tebu okọ mo aba o mo so ye betu ya sei. Ebu ha nya yen hye. Eno bu ho se fami kọ bọ me obagima he. Nti no me ka jo se meje 100 series a me fesa nya hye. Obizam se meje wa he.
Lottery Authority mpanifo de to Ghana fo nyina nim se ya hweye mo antwa lotto nom ne ade no bi ba so o ma number no watwa no adia enu safo ne nyadwuma National Lottery so mo ni bibi etesa Adom TV etwaso
so ye wo mo a wo mo fa esu ase kwan so ye dream ne project kwan so edema NLA yetimi hwere ye sika ye de ye adwuma ene ye ne security agencies ne ekabo a ye ba be intensify the swoops and the conduct and then yama omo yewo esumase ma oman no actually sika last year yakakra nya e bi bo aban the youth start program over 10 million cedis a few years so the another 10 million cedis so ekwa akoka ho
eno achi na wo kire se abra wo ba enele ho na eka egu honom nanso enei nyame ayadom ema Ghana million no emakomako edundumu a na ewo honom no wana ateso beye oha enchemu aduasi a wo hye bose wo beye adwuma sono na wode aboa na fenso so wone ko Ghana anasa man ahodo a atwa Ghana ho ahia no na wonso so sadia wode ye platform no edi dwuma no nso so obetimi anya sika ede ama oman Ghana
ye ba ye beto sebe sana say dwuma wetie no every day be there wins every day there will be debt na ye ba ye beto e ka na mse na no hye kakra kwachire mene me mpanifo yetimi aka bomu a yetua bia akama ne aka no so ye gususu se ye beboa na eno so yetimi eyi dodo na ana ni nyina so afi ho ye beto unpaid wins over omo no mo win a na ye from sika mo mo na ye be 15 million cedis okay kan bomu a ene yetimi atua more than half of it I did this and you away and so no send my weight and don't make us a woodie etua a canina because every day there are wins and every day you have to keep paying.
My no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no pay na ha na bema kwan na ye de ni nyina sie da se pi de omre no wadaje enti koso na hye nsa onye hyenkani a na wo pia frifi a e wo Facebook/Adom TV mo so amugo social no nyame hira mo na free sabre kozisa no nkono ebebo no nkomo no an ye de ebramo de obonkrata na ye krado oba online so Adom ye beko ho na fei ye de eno so atwo so de amamo na ansa kra no Shannon Swain, sir, Yami Yaduma, Yadumadi be eba, said the Muamanitia, Munim de Adom ye, a passion night, a think media expert, and a Adom TV, and a Yaka Yahu Abuma, passion night, no, Yade Bramo last year, now a journey to the cross. Now this year, no, the betrayal. Ye was as a why and a ye. Yes, ma, you know. So, Dr. Likey, Anna Van Vika, Ghana, Diano, aha, and I say Ghana Jesus, and Salinko. Yame, a yard, do my becoso. Starts Nina, one more bar, 16th April, and I share a see one National Theatre to be a ranum dramas. I would walk, and so a becoso, Pa Thomas Womo, episode, Joyce Blessing, Heavenly Jewels, Kora, Omunina, so ba. Na woto ticket so awo akwanya say free hair screening ye be yen so the amount ticket no ye 50 and of VIP ye 80 oba airport shell Joy FM a ubenya ticket ni bin so ato ye da anti amasadin ene tomato sauce Sedams premium travel and tours and Jade medical services for ye do almost say papa emre ko nanim na ye beka ye bedi ho enkomo this year ye the betrayal. Why any ye Yeshumae, Dr. Likey, Van Vika, and say Ghana Jesus, and Salinko, and no Ebebaso, 16th April, one National Theatre, toll ticket 50, and as a VIP 80 Ghana City. Na brand near and Munim the Adom TV, Timmy, see anything media for King Wabomu, and we brought one National Theatre 16th April, dear, but for bra, near Union Conco Heavy, near Hunudu ye Yeshumae, or Ghana Famudia. Make us say, oh my Hina Kwabna so. Ejina na so dadantino da bonkrata no said ye na fe online stories no so ye de ato so e me ne mo akwaba bajo so e bia boko de
oh bibia ya boko na so ada fa se bia oti asefofo e bia ne se wasiesi ho amana bruso minim se ne one ai kwasi chumo special appointment
me kwaje peg
oko je ko shara oi osubo me boa ine beti bizuka kabina afidie kwasi chumu so de bia ko no ni boot yi mu ase ayi ti se ayi snow ayi no boot no very simple man awo she ayi se ano she o papa won ti say
ami Adom mo ho ye oni ma ko fa
papa because me ne be de ma badwan o papa ye papa won ti say
asha ba ye di so
hu na me hu wo de ma egidi
wa hu han
hu na me hu
ala me kwa
akosinsi akora busa wase
oh mpacho me bo sha me ka mo ma te no awanya hwe na dia
akosinsi akora busa wase
ada wudi me number wudi me number
me catch them
abesha bo akasa nke sama akase wo ye fidie de ente se so awanya hwe so wa hu mi jene de oni me number bra mo ani na wo esa woni am hu nti no be ne no
ba kwa tabaklu
mami no bia se na so ata na me tia opa ano pe me tia me da senso na me enyo kese me do bia se eno a cakes na
eno a se you see so cake ma oye hi ye kwa mani everybody ya go be fia ba
o ya mani ye fe new shoe for abna popi organizer organizer de adwuma se ne so obedi ni na ni refi adwuma o but o ya de abna popia anwenye nyamisha obna nyamisha papa many so ye Betty crowd over my yesu Yamisha Betty Obiso and Yamisha Papa.
Okay, so if you had the guy you was saying that I said na kwa ye Benada April no de toso 9 enti nimdada Benada for no kwabna anafi abna inimdada wa obetim de adu se premo beto ana donko no mienu no miensa no 9 no num ana no nsia obi anu aho ne be betima carry wotu. The most important thing is we do a food to Benada bia na watima bompa ma Ghana emu mpanyimfo emu nipa emu adehye na nanom ne wona kana wankasa wabompa de ama nti wa ho de do be koto over here fa 1 2 3 4 5 6 the ultimate is why I did pa na ultimate boom come si sumani ko see the following day 6 there as what the baby na fa botai na komapa etimi ejina mu na fa Ghana ene wankasa wa brabo ti ama o chiama kwa be na kwa Benada nso eye bedwam no nko ni pija emu na me ka se sema wo do atojo de obokraten de bre man ho kwan ana fe ba online stories so de bre man ho kwan no ana ye de bro team leader Welbeck Kofi Ampedu supported by Dominic Sieboa ana fe ye akwasisia presidential correspondent ye wo camera sound lighting for stage set designers and ye wo control for so e kan driver for so mde ba yina no we are almost pleased wo so waje bra wo he na uti ye da CP because a lot of options but bribia da ojibre ehwe bedwam on Adom TV multi TV so Daily Guardian dey share say NDC supporters police clash over Savlugu MP arrest nye nasem nti say ebedisa nkomo we yi sempe fortness ne to adweno honoma Nanton MP treated in Parliament washroom Habib Anna Akase. The big story here, Galamsey man drops bomb on police. Same way no akosinsia shase no ade kosisi so moto aso am say enne manyantie say kosisi ase bi likam obesa to asa nkomo na utie nsem ni bia okan ya Olive Okan Okaile good morning to you utie nsem ni bia okan ya emu ohikakra ana hard kakra ana say hard Mahama excited over Kobia support Kobia they said with the water President Mama de Abutre who be pa we they say with your man baby ya na say ko no akutua sika so otua ya wonya 0.00 otua di and good
o ba say e be refund ya ba no ya de be ma no so wanya nkwa
hihye ni yi
wanya nkwa mo de be ma no
nti mini mo je but clearly no no kwade won ka ho o ko jobo zu kra hu ni hu na
wo so kasa o
ma men kasa na dufu okra pim so ba if you come and say you for crap people
so obia woni vision mo mo nkom
if say ko akon a MPP die wa woni mo ko akon no ana woni mandis de mo ko akon no it kasa bi e do woni po problem bia obi amra
emre no so a ye be ye die
obi 99% no wa wo say obi amra
enipa na appearance
democracy dey good pa
mo mra obi amra
the new crusading guy say Guta fights government over newly passed revenue bills and on the musha sequence na almost abaye no nya adwen eto na ode ba no ehun susu so ye di dwa na edwadifo no ebebere abaye dwede ho kakra won so omanwe won se abo ye efran to makoko se abaye da be intimate ase. Your dedicated service will always be remembered. Judicial service to COP Kofi Boachi. Ade ko viwachi okay mesa kukumia odebama no kai say there afi NLA poised to increase revenue as it renegotiates deal with KGL amongst others and afi any man say saying Doma East MP to moderate discussions on green economy. This guy is really great. Doma East for Monya MP Ankasa is really a great guy in Parliament and an asset to Ghana and Timon Chenos. The Chronicle, the Obakata say, exclusive, Yoni Kolondi to be next CJ. Gertrude Tokonu also in the race. And what's Ewahad say, Anna NLA to be 92 million Ghana cedis richer this year. Samir Oku says Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire to pay royalties after 25 years. Samir Oku, Onu Kwanka said that Eba amanyo semo my Ghana mo obabunu sonko a onso da ne ho adi wa no da suban pa. Daily Graphic so what I'm saying. Professor Father Godfrey Zamujo, founder of the Songhai Center, Benin, or the Assem Kese party our Greek needs new model or I say about create one some will be the man na yem fan sachra Kese Pamra quite fast way kuya one seminal. And at the same daily graphic is saying commit more resources at himself here we or things same be no want to say bam. Commit more resources to mental health delivery. And what's them and Dr. Jiman also on your abide Kasa. President should state position on LGBTQ Catholic bishops and because the most Reverend Joseph Osebunsu, Catholic Bishop of Konongo Mampong, and also Eddie Atuje in T or say there be man oh quite the I didn't move me Ghana man paying. And Sakwana the base of my ship myself. But me Ghana man paying say me jina idea. Me jitum, me jintum, sana Catholic in paying for Kaze. Because I'm a come.
Baby,
or no, they say on your parliament, be no. Now, wow, you can defone and Casano about LGBTQ, no one's man, and what's it? And I'm man paying with a new year, you dangers of paying Kaza. Or see me, better me go. The ever cost of my ship with the Ghana.
Fine. What a good year, but one hour, you.
But I say that call my ship with you.
And also by county,
also Canada,
so be a Canadian. Into also better than I do. I see, a bit so large, a found, we say, and so I'm penning can't name for one.
But won't you mean Castle found?
Hey, or no dear, or no near head. On the S or found.
Okay, it's all found.
Yes.
Yes, opposition. We have another Shabaka, but we much more of me the same lady or parliament.
That's all, but the
Ghanaian Times, Messer, we create guys come back and forth. They be Adameka in some way, no, I G Adaji and media more. Or man and Cassasipo, I could do a basic on in a drink a Christo phone sorry, and Cremophone sorry, Nanano Moon sorry, because these are the 3 a year foundations a Ginaso. So what I say, Timon sorry. Na mume who say ye wo dom ebre ti same. I no ko gina a year Arab country be say all this they've stated their position.
Yeah. I see.
Well, Fair Wages and Salaries Commission was starting nationwide payroll cleanup. They be a damo clinic, but they be a nipa home. They be a damo clinic.
I just went to your dorsal.
If you are almost clean here.
Yeah, some more and
I want for you.
Yeah, I say a broth.
Yeah, online stories they do say. Sammy Okumasman,
we about Mier's response.
Yeah, okay.
After Sammy Oku asked why he wants
to be a president. Okay, so Omo boy Kutia. Say the Evans Benza Kubusa, a great community. Why do you want to be a president? I want to be a flag bearer. Okay, so
no.
Look at me. I see the agents.
Oh yes, sir. I will say.
And the police should be worried. And so be a neighbor was asking.
Police all parts.
So and no crowd they could see. Say now to him. Bema me Mr. Bema tintinga. On Bema tintinga. One a chin. Our what did not transform this aqua ketwa.
And when not, me sure say be a bay official, you know, Mukoy, because I official.
No, but only whether official. I know you have a basso. The police disciplinary committee needs our more papers and or but the crap say a who crave free him, she wants to be a post at Tadia, will be a soldier at Tadia. Can he also be a Roman software, Methodist software, Pentecost software, and yet you are at all. Will be a teacher, be a doctor, will be a soldier, nurse, and yet fire service in it, and yet you market will be a machine journey.
And our teacher.
And then quite a frimpon on Tisa Dogobino Abu. Who now an illegality now, police in that. When you now see additional you know as a man and call for your form these services.
Security, no.
Yes, because Ote that's your
they did not shame. Send a background to say because we have a family member, they did not push him. Oh, and a British
because of my Nakasa, who is a project for there. That is a movement in
one into said they bay with me.
Kelly Morale, or more genuine, hard working police officers.
Happy with baby. Kelly Morale, Unya quadruphobia money be primoa. Not one channel who one year no so no. Nice or chincha one a messana. And my spirit a crack of form.
NLA for Eguso Mudin Komakama NLA on course to settle 15 million Ghana cedi unpaid wins.
Another day.
Say a jet to Honover Toso. nti ono na de hihye egu akwan mu se betimi etwetwa sakana but strange say betimi atia kana
obi atwa no atwa enya so wantuo watua ntia na chese Ghana de obi adeka
okay
so say water for crown so tama enra omo disconnect
na no you be disconnect so I don't to kwana say
I say be more resistant
there be mentia say mu twem okay momra office na ento en common so and as okay ye ntwem for dance e chese watua kora ye de mai but I don't know no mu kuntokwa no mu di omo watam ade asem ni
ebuo no ni ade no said
kwa
Kasi ababa so there be anopa minister them no nti je se ebo ababa so but na me can be think media na Adom TV
na wo se ani o ma kan se ani na me Adom ya di jodi kese na ebro
16th April and ye dey passion night na last year no yeah different this year ye share betrayal why na betray who
na Dr. Like mu ni
wo mu Van Vacancy wo mu Salinko wo mu Ghana Jesus nsu wo mu but Thomas na episode na just blessing nya ba betonyo
episode ne boss
atia don copy pese me tapo na bia o tu
jana why atia don copy pese on me god was
you say no
Kasa ba ya damu ina mase ya to adwumadi ni so anam say ya semi di cabre na ana de bre no afia banko edi kai was to think media one ne Adom TV ya can see any 16th of April at adwumadi so betrayal last year was different this time who betrayed Jesus Christo nti hona be hu say ye nuano mo a omo so sini twa no omo bo omo modern pa no one ba no ba yi sa de na che it's going to be so interesting you have to be there. You know, nti Kairun say we share episode ne Pa Thomas ne Van Veka ne Dr. Like ne ona akai you know Dr. Salim Komunyina omo bia ba be di djuma so nka ma ina atimi ina atima je hu ye pa ebra so mamponi de share presidential staffer and correspondent osai philanthropist no sai obi odi kuayo sinani so oye busua panyi e o enan makoma wotwe e o mampon eni mro obi ade na mu manso de wadaroma minim se ofri achima ye kro ofri achim kwa ben kra no manso ye gum kakra ba mamponi di hye ono be kwa kusisi tam anopei mijini se ye ode se mi introduce you yes agozi bache
o ba me yo so ba
ko ya o na me insure na o ze ye no se baby am pedutin de be sure say insure because kwayim be to ode insure be to kese pa baby akofi am pedutin de nyame ni nye kra o
de bi o
hey agozi ene baby e de ti de yo
o yam na yam isle go here so de ever hey simple
baby say ono ba no dey cover easily go here and so say na kromachi o baby
na kromo santo
edi o say oh easily go here say we no the only call here oba lie yeah no easily go here you know
na that way say o mess
no so na krom santo na easily go here ya che obi brother so asemi di kede bro
asemi di dika na say the nura ya kind
yeah
axim galamsey honsensem ene mranti ayachi omo ene da so ewo so na quickly me pacho director say video na ye ready standing by na ye nkotese abranti ogina ha ye hu no TV so ona a police force say omo hwe na say oye armed robber
ya china na
omo nche no sa ni pan na ya police force omachi omo this is the feed person so mo hwe no some say oye armed robber that part stand by a police for statement omission no na yentie sa video nsem kakra bi enwe ye ba ye beto asom so yentie ye hwa de e wa ha
nti aba sa am se me kan kwa se me wumpa me se ma wuma kan kwa wu di na me dia ha anya mitumi nam de ye kan wa beto onim se omonem na ye aduma nti se utie sa video na police for no se ye attack na mo aye ma so na utie sa video na utie ne yebe say ombeka say omoneme na ya aduma so utie sa video na police phone say attack ne na omo konto kwa na opache wono police phone ka say omoneme e na ya aduma nti say bia ni amenya abotre Se police ni no ma mi tu a din ta ka chance won me na ya aduna me menye police ni me she police atare o enso din ta wo police wa ba bush ya ma osika na fe o patch o se won ye na ya aduna no de na o patch o nya na tu na ye tu ne to no no suru anu tu no o kasa she said awon kasa robin ya robin ko bi obia de obia ni obetu na friends o mna no be yi na no se me ma ko wia we ana me ma ko fa we akofa se so bi ba no ti bagase ya be robin de tu be sinu so agin bi sese ya me fa me de me hu be ba ta de on pa so mu bi amode aye me na be bi so on be friends se mra me yi ma no me ba be yi ma no cause me mo ko no da na me obia de o tu be na so na de wo no see yenya confo yenya hwe we for na mo kreti po na to say yi etu ni po na ye kika sa for no enya ye dia we for ni mze du ne ko jiji wo sat ndi say obi obepia ka say ya be robo na ya be ni bi no so mo tumi kire sa ni ba ko say e be bia we e tu ala kire sa ba ju we ya me tumi de me ho adan aba ska say mi amini ana be ma from say me na be yi ma no so me ba be yi ma no because me me jam no dey turn to police na ka to mo no be ya adwuma say da me mani su ya den am ho ya den do mo no be ya adwuma o area ho nti aban Ghana for
aban enti mo no nyina
mba ne ho den o ada o Samson
no say ne dey say ke kan dey abranti we eye galamsey ni and no we police for statement no from point 1 to point 7 be no police for car mine asem it just about can and all kind we nyana misa so man police for say a himfana boys no better share omoso no more ye den si patrol omko patrol wa himfa
19 and now the criteria.
Yes.
4 people arrested for attacking police in the Western region. An alleged case of extortion referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for investigation. And point 1, on 9th May 2023, the Axim Divisional Police Patrol Team reported an attack on the team by a gang that seized the magazine of a service rifle together with some mobile phones belonging to the police officers. An intelligence operation was immediately launched after the report to get the suspects arrested. On 28 March 2023, after about 3 weeks of the intelligence operation, 4 men, Kojo, blah, 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 Sakusi, were arrested for their suspected involvement in the attack. A search conducted at the residence of Kwame Atuasare Eni, the prime suspect, who is still on the run, led to the retrieval of 3 pump-action shotguns, also 1 pump-action shotgun, 2 machetes, 8 BB rifle cartridges were retrieved from the suspect's unregistered Honda CRV vehicle. Other items retrieved from the suspects include 2 live refilled BB cartridges and 1 unregistered motorbike on 1st April 2023. While the investigations were ongoing to get the remaining suspects arrested, the attention of the police was drawn to a video footage in which the said police personnel, members of the Axim Patrol Team, are shown pleading with members of the gang, while the gang is alleging extortion by the police officers. The allegation of extortion against the officers has been referred to the Police Professional Standards Bureau for investigation. All the suspects in the reported attack on the patrol team who had been arrested have been put before court and have been remanded in custody. Efforts are continuing to get the remaining suspects arrested. Grace Ansar Kofi, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Director Public Affairs.
It's Abraham to Okasa in Kwame Atuasare.
Kwame Atuasare.
Yes.
All right, okay.
Or Mausa from point 1 to point 7, the Yanka Mania Sembia Ewum. But the full video is there. Everything to be a morning. Near one, yes, Abraham Tennessee. A police for money court mining side, because of course, or a Galamsey guy to name Galamsey for boys. A quaddy discarded bromo. Or quaddy 30,000, 40,000 near that. Or bar. Please for man 1,000, any 2,000. There was one time a police for man called 100,000 Ghana cedis. And of fun while you know this can you only please for issue no. Apparently only please for issue no. That is why original video more all there please for say or munche di pa ba ko so no Kwame Atuasare Eni abon krono. Ye tom so ye armed robber. And you see, please for some year there, I'm gonna investigate assembly. With all due respect, IGP, Onon crop for yet to investigate this item way. We can't trust the police.
Are they?
Oh man, we cannot trust Ghana Police Service to investigate this issue. I'm an woman
on this specific matter.
That is it. Director Pato from the Daily Graphic website. Make sure the 88 been trusted Ghana Police Service to investigate this issue. Pato from the Daily Graphic website is here first. Now, mention I have 4 ADB. Me 2 million much less here. Mama, who dear your police here, woman, your penny. Ghana police here, woman, yeah, no more empty. Yet to be trust some say, or we investigate this assembly. That's a part of Daily Graphic. Daily Graphic, now, me here to the CA. Oh man, see my police for investigate this assembly, yeah. No problem, you would die.
But we are investigating.
Me say, yeah, prima police for some more assembly more. No crowd was saying, you would die. Before I said, Obeko Daily Graphic, I'm sure there, 2018. A year after Nana Akufo-Addo has been sworn into office, a police for kotu tutu aswase. And the Korea a 2 Camerantian show 7. The police for report on the buy. Obviously, they were armed robbers. And omni police for exchanging fire. As a result of that, and the police for Tony Kamwa Omuye. Assembly see yen na busuafo wo aswase portable bam to say. Omuma no omunya armed robbers. Kan de do man pene society a yenti ankrankrakwo no mo investigate asem. Oman in 2019 and that a connect no and report about one thing. Report they say after so much police for or much kroma for no be anyone the woman say emrante kom no me akrofo. Ewie ya aban yisika 1.750 million Ghana cedis. Sempata sika echema busuan so obi enya 250,000. Now terms the police for me to investigate assembly. Am enya no krewo. The same Ghana police service this statement by at that time I can tell you say nipa so ekom waswase no o me armed robbers. No me police for exchange gas and no de wuye. Man peni se there be nkofo kan yenti omo so. Yenya police for investigation is in chain. Niempe ankrankwakuo. Me a Daily Graphic website.
So all this is happening in the Western region.
Yes, this Western region. Axim. And you see a police for investigation with so my Elko Siaga. And IGP, Arewo, a troll modi a cheno. The real no ya Jim 170 yeno. Sani ya Jia Brante so somebody.
Kopimza yishemu be yejuma na.
And we see if you any kwase police for the year. A police want me share assem we mo. Man peni yenyin fa police for some and yes no kura wasem ye hu. IGP dampare any man for en kan no kura che da. Omne en no kura be sie yen. Me se ne si aswasinti. Sa asem se sibisia or say yes na ho de man Ghana for say. Because police for twantra che yen. Aswase de no. Omi de akohie. Atro na da en no betugu Ghana for ni.
Right.
Before I'm saying kono. In Zima East,
yeah.
MC, Honorable Elizabeth Dorcas, young flow anti-Dorcas. May say Kembium, you don't deserve to be MC for Azima East.
Okay.
For your involvement in Galamsey. You don't deserve. Mampeni, and you see your mind, where that a fachem, like best 1 minute. And now call Galamsey Saita. What else my boy sneaker? And say for me, you can't make because I'm for a car some go masum no. All
right, that's CP. You can't be jai so ampa. Say is Kronumbo. Krono de be born in nyina aboy tiri so. Nti mesrew we Ghana ni be proud this time. Now be bold in so. Na ma Ghana ho asem ndo wakoma so ye ko.
Kwaba kesi be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia we can see on sempai sa kena no pansu ja medin de Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the original Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono quantum coding small and sa kena no penso e Ghana agudim ejao se no somam se nyuma kun emiensa omna bom ska dwetwe men no pay ye den komo no eba one expert have always told you that betting there is better than saka wo twere before twere keto bia odin kuma sa no manu bomoten ada se busua de japade bi siska wo card ne si baby enye hwes ebetumi akọ na wakoton the last na kugu so na so de ketwa ekoje kese no nemum bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yire nya ya no eno ana edi twa bet nyesa bet di wa wani betia pruso adwunu betia hyehyew 3 betia bom timisrew ya na wa hye ne so edi ama nemum we na china so per bet dia 1x bet ho danse ana yedi edi ama no na no ada boys timinyes ka di brunya new year the same thing ana for eastern so 1x bet na yedi edi Jeffas Mr. Edu Titashi and so infections edu se gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis why fita na so dipoa ana actual set me kese edu bia eboa prapro ahra na omra bo mo atimi nchiniche ko heba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu so pe Jeffas Mr. eno ne edu ba kwa ebetia boa emaniama etia tutu yi ediama Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel modern da few pampas be pimo na se edu ba kwa tu ya odi asere no pain bi ye fio na boa emaniama etia tutu ediama kwa shama na me market an sabetia kebina fe so ko eye temanso a eno so nye na hokra Sedimo gel and roll-on obetia from 02082199129 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on phone pay for ye ntwetwe nkomohwemwa emaniama 822 yi famam. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins to very festive. Here, and EPL and Ra Edwada and Ajuda Sum matches. I would do it in PM. Everton for 8 matches, Tottenham Hotspur for any on 1. Elsaki's far and into EPL. The mother fishes a bit in PM and then the Bournemouth Beton said a fair better and Hooves Albion. Now, Omashi can lease Beton said a fair Tottenham Forest. Nothing so. Ushima, there's a Leicester City and the Aston Villa, Chelsea, Liverpool 4 and the Diakins in Everton Tam so Michelle Swam lease and then Nottingham Forest and then so at the Bebo so on. Young Spanish La Liga element I can say about Quit Vincent of Valencia and the Rayo Vallecano Elbo 1-1. Ewo Mountain so no afie fe ni kire Ghana Premier League eye nano ifia da memeda ne kwese da matches ne to fem no ba ko kansense mo bibia ni Go Stars for ene Legon City enra anomde say akensi ne 8 minutes ball so 90 minutes soccer fiesta bi ni Go Stars 3 Legon City 2
back. And it's an open goal. The Biani Go Stars jump into the lead through a big Nego Tete. Early stages in the game and Go Stars have already shot into the lead. Here's Mreku for Legon Cities. There's a chance. Amega, and that's the equalizer. Legon Cities right back in it. They just found the equalizer. Go Stars went to sleep and they've been punished. That's Mreku's ball. It was harmless, but Amaga pounced on it because Farouk Adams was a bit late. And Legon Cities have drawn level. He finds Mreku. Mreku is back for Amaga. Then Amaga goes for glory again. Keeper fails to deal with it first time. Osebos scores the second for Legon Cities. And they've shot Go Stars in Bibiani. It's Legon Cities who have jumped into the lead through Eric Osebonsu. It's 16 minutes. It's Go Stars 1, Legon Cities 2. He switched from the left to the right. That's what to pick out. Owusu sends a cross and Suleiman heads it away. Here's Apil. Now Banahine. Back to Apil. He sends a cross. Jemfi Kamara, and he finds the equalizer. His first goal of the season, Charles Jemfi Kamara. I was just talking about him, how he's been one of the best players for Gold Stars this season, but yet to sparkle in this game. And now he has registered his name on the score sheet. Yaya Adraman's delivery. Here is Jemfi Kamara. He sets up Vanahini. It's a powerful drive, but he just goes over the top for a goal kick. And Michael Osei is impressed. 0-2. He's looking for Mreku, and he finds Mreku. Here is Joseph Mreku up against Owusu. He sends a cross. This time, it goes outside for a goal kick. Now, Apil picks it up for Gold Stars. He finds Prince Owusu. Owusu sends a cross. And Abednego Tete gets his second on the day. And the third for Gold Stars. A man on fire.
Internet Enra and the Kupimu Efa Gold Stars and Legon City against him. But Michael Osei and the Kita Gold Stars Football Club were former Kumasi Sandogo coach no and for a former Black Stars player. After Saudi Kunimno or say NNGP.
We say it was a very dicey game, very difficult. looking at the position the opponent are, you can see they are frustrated. So they came all out. But we started the game very, very well. And then we got the early goal. And then later on, I think we slept a little. And then they were equalized and then get another goal. But we came back into the game again. And then we scored another 2 goals. But later in the second half, I think we were a little bit looking like strugglish and so on. But we were able to manage to get the 3 points, because I said before, the 3 points matters most, because looking at the position or looking at the league log, we needed these 3 points badly. So I'm happy for the team. I'm happy for the community that with these points we have got in the 24 matches. I think we have to be happy and then move on.
Ti Maso Kunadu enso anekita Lagos City, a former Nkoranza Warriors player, former Kumasi Asano coach, and also Edin Nkomo to just say, Udi Nkwo sa Kinsi no na enya dia enika edemano.
Keenly contested game. Both teams did their best. They had their chances and they took them. We also took some chances. But to sum it up, I'm saying it's a good team. They've been playing well at home. We came and we did our best, but it wasn't just enough to carry the day. You know, every center and how you have to psych your boys to approach it. We know that this was a good pitch. We could play our football, so we came here to play football. And that is what we did. And getting to the latter part of the stage, we saw that they were a bit tired. So we kept the ball to ourselves and kept playing until that incident happened. So I think our boys did well. We are proud of them. We only have to go home and keep pushing.
Maso Kunadu, Lagos City's head coach, and out in council in Komo Ejano. But Uba Ghana Premier League to SM Deasan and Saint Timnanka, Abraseka Krana Sentem, and Asaman Home Subunina, and now see the Yajima Badu, the first post studio when it went such a with him Sampa, R2 Foco Pimo, Namo match New Crowd Monam Council Codeche de Channel, the Pibnanica, Lagos City, Udhemwa, as a Tamale City Fonso Ecoha, and one down match New Kama, BB and Siwa ones, but almost Akufino, where near Pimo Hosa, na Enyanika, Sankumui, and I'm so am Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association. Minoka said the only tabwa ato Ajimabedu Sports Complex in Susenyadia, a bit me see a Kinsi Ubi, Tibiana Stars, Ewa Kinsi Bia Mepemno, on Bachelor Babia, on Betty Acquisisa Kinsino, na Nkumai Pimono, and Subini.
Said to trust him at 2 Dra, and I know Diana Stars, and Tamale City, at the Bomu the Manning T, Ghana Football Association, or my Executive Council Nishia, Omina Coben Kromu say, Nanajima the first, Agopama, ye were Diana. Among the credo kakako tumua, and ne free walkway, Adriana Stars. Yea, nay, or that Adriana so a leg in a sono, won't see that kind of hobby. Into one per baby, I'll be in a sinakain, or I can't see a aka, or Ghana leg in a mono.
And see, Ness and PM, and no, Ewo, and an Ajima Bedu the first sports stadium ho, Tifis Abre Quadia, a temporal band, and a dasso, intimacy I can see Hubium. But the Uncle and so boxing with ya, there's Isaac the Royal Storm Dugbe, Nehu. Ono any abranti offense Ramirez au fi Cuba etwa kanku emom de ma hoden esohwe ya akensi ne ba na wie ne se Isaac the Rastom Dugbe yesibirim na nya asem kuma kra na Isaac Dugbe asema okan ne se judges makuma ko ba esimiensa na omo judge e scoreboard no kitom no ugidi pass na se no mo da omo na so de no mutunku ne si den na mutimi judge sabe ko ugidi pass ba to no okon pa ba ni nyina mu no Nathaniel Ato na musinia owo US of A Montenso na odenkumo hakra ejan after the bout. Senior copy mo Oklahoma, United States of America Montenso na Isaac the Royal Storm Dugbe edi ntwo Ramirez Cuba ni this year na ensa no ana odenkumo no kakra 18 ejan e kan Ramirez diam team sampa gold medal de baby ebihye bia no ofa de kofie Western Mexico so Isaac Dugbe nso de Western City apampru kra na ya na ode bafia edne nti we so na begina na media nenso nkomo no esi hye no so ma say 1xbet omotachiri and afi fast mixture and so they do it that elbow chidom infections there fast mixture ko eba shops mo sabiti akabi and afi sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel omina na attachiri boa emena no penso dia wo kensi mu sempai saka etimijawo within the prof iki wala sakudi cash back open na mudi of course evidence based sports and teach etimijawo radin tinani ma onyo kese no yimfi bebe ni da soni emfa nko bebe ni da so me so yesu die na se Juliana Frimpong ha we kukuraba beto kuku na monto me so de but I say ene your birthday Juliana Frimpong fantastic birthday morning and come up bia o bia the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Yada say yasamo akwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na o hye yada Professor UK Wallace say wo agodie mu nsamo de abraye de adru so no nkomo ahodo bi wo ho a wo ese de bro hye so sanya me Adom a Thursday ye nyina ye fo bepo no na yakokwa enu nti se wote yenka ba bia wo bia ye nhia wo lenda do ho ne be hyase na fe ni fiada memeda Sunday na ese hye so den na enyumako bia da romanti ena omo so yasene bia ma yetumede kwawo no ebro afi so yasanya kwan se ye ne yen sponsors edi enkomo ntino me wo Blue Jeans energy drink mpanifo e wo ha sei anope ye no mo ba bedi nkomo Blue Jeans energy drink de obia nim free tete eno a ukoye okipi o feti ni wi abonse no odi bi aguna de so ntimi senior man so agina adwai wo ha de ye na kwaba na yeni enkomo papa ya mo akwaba na bibia bokode bibia de yada se papa ahofa ne de oda so agina musa yada se nyuma doso programs ahodo doso nanso Blue Jeans for ISA this year Adom ko ombe eso asre e de motivate sa decision no mo ba beta ye chi
oh say ye bo Easter pa e Ghana ha na kwawu e na ring bell ena se kwawu ko so ba wadwen mu a na unya baby anko se Adom TV ni Adom FM.
Thank you.
Ento pese ye te won kampa Easter bre mu pa kwawu pa e just a higher na so.
Asam go ni kan se bubusa bebre wa ye.
Enti in fact ahoho a se ye de ye ho be batamo na yenso se ye be sponsor na ya kwa akodi djuma wo ho nyina kama se ya mafo bete
ya damo senti ni Blue Jeans energy drink ho nkomo kakra ene ya tese mu di new baby bi aba e ho so de e be su ho no mo pa
look out for it budget cash and carry and the mother company no omo na ya a crabber na Blue Jeans energy drink there say wa winim e din ne there che say te ne ba bia
le bonus here on point
from a year tete. In fact, almost 30 business, almost 30 years. In fact, about 30 years. Blue Jeans, I did in Ghana, baby. I just say, baby, I will be Kobiana, open energy drink, mo kroje, mo kama flavor, near beautiful. No matter what say energy drink and Casania, Blue Jeans. And the Blue Jeans are almost supported. Sporting activities be brave. Ghana has say you can teams na kasa kotoko Accra Great Olympics House of Folk na almost supported one. I just say you go so supporting sports. In fact, almost contributed to sports pa e wo kromo ha. You go so be bia obefe bia just say Blue Jeans there enye na.
Sent na je bia. Ti dey expect e wo be pono so.
Enti ye be pono so there just say baby obe just say ye be say ho nyina. Yene Adom TV nante baby Adom TV betu ne na esibia ye o yi ne na ne
from Linda Door
yes stop all every
sa ne akwantifo mo de buses mo ba jeja ho ni na mo look out for
enya sem ketwa ho
Blue Jeans energy drink for so ba chiche mo so ho ama
oh ye be chiche ai ama for so mra no mo mbehwe ye new baby no Blue Jeans energy na but ye di bibi aka ho ye di bibi aka ho you know it's a man from looking out for it
ye di mutumi ye nti se mo di bibi foforo aka ho ba dia
bibi foforo aka ho pa che se omo ne ji sa de no omo ne beje papa
sa de bi anipa bi ani joko
oh yes
ade anti bi mo bodi bia but all can we ne de ya quote ni de na wa unim de air patch
that's right
it is a pesa wo mo new baby na wo mo de abade me do fo gisi nyina ehia mu e wo kwawo ba me kan kura set fine do kwawo ye be ko but no de ebi wo abonten dada shops bia any leading drink shops bia obenya bi wo and filling station shops pubs Max no ne ade na pubs ni ade che da bia obenya bi wo ti ene mo kwa from Thursday till Sunday wo
to Thursday ate wan hwe kra mo beja yo ho Monday kra ye be bosso ansa ya ba
mo enti na say asem passport on say communities ni na ya group a ye be ball no ni ade enti so pesa wo energy level no koso dia wo energy drink a wo hia e Blue Jays energy drink o madaro mo say sponsors enti wo to no kora bia no masa acheche mu bi e de aka ho ti e da se e da mo ase papa bibi bi mo ho bi ma
me pacho obi opese otubi no aha me fa numbers into dwana aha omun enti me enkonko to be 0208 128 190 me boss biom 0208 128 190 and 05500 10000 into no opeso channel shot 05500 10,000
sir
when
you more pen do do atu
more pen do do
so the good drinking sport
the budget cash and carry and got numbers in and to call warehouse now just say budget cash and carry okra cash now I continue
na company on go fast idea enti no Blue Jays omo sponsor ye nyame yadoma Thursday ye ne omu nyina ye fro bepo no na kwawo ko yakwa kodi ne so nkokra but wo ha ya akra nso no eso boost we energy no woni energy untime sori nya adwuma nti ya no bi na emmo boost ye da se papa ya enwa aha but eden abeka kire yen ya ye bekọ kwawi nso
me pacho ye kwe ye nto yebo aha ahyenkafo nto yebo aha na yenko ne yemra jojo aha sebe enya de bone no obi akoye wo ho energy kakra na nti yenhwe ye ho so ye aha ye gi ye ne ye hwe ye ho so ye
samam number de omo pe
exactly
wholesale for
the wholesale 0208 128 190 0208 128 190 and 05500 10,000.
I was screen no ase enti sa fe na wabadia say wo supermarket bi wo restaurant bi pub bi na wo hia energy drink Blue Jays energy drink any one new product na bana number no yes wa friend ti alright we yemfa wo
and main stand so enka say nye kwa wo nkwa na yeko in fact ye stand so wo Lake Busumchi. That's right. That's right. Wa asante ja fo se kwa wo e wadu do wuntimi ma no wo de kwa Lake Busumchi. Yesi ayo ho. Wo be hu new product no.
E no so be so ho.
Wow.
We do the fancy hand up.
Thank you so much.
Cash and Carry Company Limited for Blue Jays energy drink. And you don't want to do nkomo no. Yakwaba. Komo no ne de tata mu pa ba be ba ni nyina so kama. Yakwaba. Papa, mame mu akwaba. Na bibia boko de.
Ngopon adom.
De nyame ase. Jaisu we a product be ya.
We Jaisu WMP capsules.
Aha. Yen ni ehun komo kakra. Jaisu WMG capsules.
P.
WMP capsules. Eye adwuma be.
Edikai no beda wase bebre ni sa akonya we. Na Jaisu Herbal Clinic asoye a Wogana hase. Na me ana me da no.
Oh, okay.
Na oko UK so a city center wo Metenkensi ne so no clinic no ba ko wo ho a ho na me wo sisi a.
Oh, okay.
Na ye hwe Jaisu product na enen no Easter break mu no asori I free CAC a convention kase pa wo Metenkensi this Easter way. Until no sa program no me wase mboa Easter program no ye be free health talk and consultation no for free until no one more e wo Metenkensi UK London bebia no monkai say Dr. Shedok Abna intra kwa eni CAC asori ema no e be ye nchechire na ya hwe apomudin sania ye betumi ekura ye ho eyi na ubisa me the product no
Jaisu
product Ghana Food and Drugs Authority for Agiatum na dwumedi edi ne say yi ehyew strade amaman ene efri honamdue mu nti no de bia no bi wo ho ana ne yem no atim ontumi enja nanan basa na man the body ni na hyehye na ne so bre no ebetumi de yare efeni stroke kra na etumi aba ntunya we bi na de ball ho ban a ebeboa papa na product we product bia ye che wo UK ema CAC asafo man bebre so anya bi nti no me shop bo say yankopon ya adom na say convention e ba so a ye bebo ho modern se betumi ama omo a omanye bi no sa time no etumi enya bi
sa mo enti wo si eyi show cholesterol no ni ade sa na dwuma eye ni enti no na say Jaisun Herbal Clinic mo product abo we ni
no Jaisun Herbal Clinic product more than 20
oh yo enti na de ye di nkomo afa Jaisun PNK
Jaisun WNP
caps enti WNP ni e dia
waste and purgative.
Yo.
Yeah, worms and purgative. Worms and purgative.
Okay.
Duema at the same time, so moving of flames. Yeah.
And yes, my best sponsor, Yenti Kwauno, then I'm best sponsor Adom Kwau Festival.
Kwau Festival, didn't see Jaisun Herbal Clinic and the city center acupuncturist UK no ye bomachi domine say. Edru we edru bia wo abonten drugstore baby a enti no ye ko Easter no ye be didi ye be nom enuane betumi akochokuchoku wo system ni mu a at the end no say ye nya edru bi say e ma na yi ehyew amaman srade ni efi emfemfiri ho a wa kwaji we ni beba bewie no na fe wa e cheko na de yare kra no esan abro enti no ye sponsor Adom TV ko festival program no se na be ya obi abetumi de apomudin pa free ho asan aba na eno echi ne so no ya de apomudin pa atena se ya dwumaden
because ye didi ya no media de ya funu no ehia se ya huhuru mu ntina ne ya pi
Jaisun WNP capsules
na capsules ba ko pe ne shema na
ba ko pe ne shema
oh okay
nti fe no one bomb
yo
unya no ba ko a smedua santem no obehu se wafunu ebom na ebom na kese WNP no oye adwuma oye decongestion exercise na nduane mu
na we wonu ma ni kwa so piepio
dabi we enwumre a wodidi wi a wokoda no na wanom ba ko
okay
wonom ba ko a betumi asan nom bi mu age se na wotwe
oh okay
na wotwe
na so wo ye matim pa concrete
ai wonom ba ko a na wotwe na asan nom ba ko na wotwe na wasan no baako na dwumadi a me ankasa medi ewo London Metin Kings no city center ho no ye hwe nkrofo bebre enye Ghana fo nko a
abrofo nya ba
abrofo nya eba ho nti no
mutime ka Jaisun
on friend Jaisun
aso yo
Jaisun
eno anu no
nti no na ne se me a me ye MS acupuncturist nti no obi a was sciatica pain obi a fertility problem obi a bone problem bibia no oba UK Metin Kings ho ana oba clinic ho a ye de mpane ene ijaframa ene cupping ye massage ye bibia ewo ho nti no ye baga na de a Jaisun Herbal Clinic ene ye ko UK London Metin Kings so a the city center nti na ho na me angasa de this time de me wa me bo
ma yenya number no
okay
na se obi pe ne dodo atu a omo so atimi afro
me pacho Jaisun Herbal Clinic ewo Abekuma Olebu 626 down okay Abekuma Olebu 626 down obetumi afre yen ewo 0244 529398 0244 529398 and as owo UK babia na pese oba clinic ho eye clinic ankasa eya no bi mu fin se wo si UK na mo wo Jaisun Herbal Clinic ho ana eya no kre TV so na make na no kre e ho na me go school
okay
me ye medicine acupuncture course e wo UK
okay
nti no me wie ye no ye wo clinic nke se ho nti no se wo pese oba ho a e ho so ye 0744 071 0664 0744 071 0664 eno UK Jaisun Herbal Clinic the city center ho no number no has number no na me de atudwa no
screen na sekra 0244529398 0244529398 Jaisun Herbal Clinic and I ne Dr. Shadrack Nchakwa edi enkomunti emfansi hey se bibia ni hobi
oh bibi de mo nkwande bibiri ho
ana ye kabako ani emfansori
yo tie for madam asese motumi agibre ama ye nda anape oba fefe oso yasen anape na mestre mo say Christ Apostolic Church International wo Ghana hasi mechia obibia so fo mpanimfo eda no ɛna mo a mo wɔ UK so nyinaa no monkae sɛ convention ɛba so ɛwɔ Manchester Manchester ye boy chidom wo kwawu no na ye Manchester de no so no convention no ba so ntie no se na ende bia no Dr. Shedo Kwabran intro akwa begibre na afi no yakan apomuden ho nsem na yatumi ahwe kwan a ebefa so a yawe ni bi wo ho a ebetumi esia no obahema we dey sema ba pempacho wo say your body organ no ye wo ba bia ebia no time odi ye adwuma enti no time na mfa say wo kidney e de be ye adwuma ama wo no se wa hu na le sa time no ekoye adwuma wo de ehye abetena kidney ne so enti no say time no so a we ne be hyeda adum suko na ya kyerɛkyerɛ se ne obi wo ho na se wo ye night kra wo abrochire a wo be hu se organ we na wo no wo stress no enti no samre we no there was utumi record system no edos enti no nipadua ne ti besi ene ase bibia na ema nipa itumi egina brand no ye be kyerɛkyerɛ akwa ne nyina no na fe no etumi ehu se ne be ye betumi nya pomuden de bia jesu nya ba clinic de say agise wamba otwe ben ye nko ade yare ya kwa nkro e wo so bia no ye be e de afiri ho amaw e na fe so no e ba no se huhum a yankopon oboy ho ban pa yes entina ye de ho ahya asoro mu denden no se ne be ya huhum ne honam ina no ye betumi adie e wa pomuden mu
Michelle, Dr. Nchakwa Yedase, Papa, enti Jaisun Heba Clinic, and the Dr. Penny Shadrack Nchakwa Edi. And now we saw Shadow na, and the uncommon on your day, my Mr. Mufancha Yampa, Nationing Nano, and who here said also UTBA. It's an so Masanya, Kennedy Digital for our Hase. On product and the wa William said any sense and I judge baby a borum now to you dear, Bema notes a hanty and in commo. Yamwaka papa. Na bia boko de Kennedy Digital yatomonka ba sa bomu biem ne ehunu ne ma no amode ebe makwa no ye tonso hu surprise ne ye me ba medase na match atiefo nyina ne ahwefo Easter promotion ye de aba na ye wo product bia ye de aba dwa so sisi ya Kennedy Digital Satellite Accra ni Kumasi the whole Ghana ye ton de amamanfo asan adi akyede na ebisu ye di bia adwuma na sika san be gu ebutom enti mema mekasa nwa se uyo obi a ebia wasi hotel foforo mobekokọ minim se hotels ne ade de nya asem ketwa na uyo obi a wasi hotel foforo open air condition papa e de abomu a eye Kennedy Digital Satellite air condition se de aba wohwe TV ni so a egusu bebre na uto air condition ba ko bia ye wa kyede ba ko e de ka ho uto air condition ba ko ne ama ceiling fan ba ko uto 2 abenya 2 uto 10 obenya 10 enti mesre ye numbers ni gu Adom TV ase ho a o sha o hwe mi o TV ni so ye numbers ni go kuma se numbers nso ho ni nyina fa na phrase CA ba bia wo Ghana de distance de nya problem ye de begu ka mu de abro what mase enti Kennedy de nsem de na ebro Easter promotion we no ye se fa no form boko enti air condition de no wa be new office complex air condition papa be gibi boom we say master say krum ha no obi ba office na wa hweze de honete a ubone bo kura wonje enti Mr. Brother be je odie Accra number no 0243 074750 wa hwe TV no so number do gu asisi afa ne frame Accra ye wager old barrier kwantempo no so kokro bite junction ne so ho a ho ene ewo ena Kumasi mo amowo Central Business District me kire edum Oko Family Plaza brosan ni mu a first floor me de me dane da meka ase ho ne ba bia hu se yetonton ne ma we bi ho we yes wo hwehwe Kennedy obi be ka cho so ani ma ni bia ne gu ha no me mpe problem wura Kennedy ne kokoto wa de wia no wagye so receipt oje ya so china bi se problem ba o de ba na ayensiesi na se asesa ne mpo e de amount enti wa utie me ope home appliances papa dia bra Kennedy aso ye obegye a na se oje receipt to so discount to ya bone be food the amount wasa aju achede piece na ko anim TV a 50 inches brand BI obi ho air condition so no 51.5 horsepower e de ko anim brand BRB e ho TV 50 inches sell per smart the 100 the 4K oto ane wasa aju achede piece na KDS TV ni de se sei Ghana ha no no bi ayusu yetu
ɛne ɛsan so yi ni baako nti mo ampɛ sɛ mo betu TV ni bi kɔtɔn mo betu air condition ni bi kɔtɔn ni nyina mo ba ebi wɔ hɔ hwɛ TV na ase numbers ni gu hɔ fa phrase si a na yenye wo so ba bi a wo de distance me say nye problem e de begu kam de abrew ye the almighty fufu pounding machine aba na fufu pounding machine ho asem de eyemfaso eye adwuma wo pese wo ye own boss wo pese wo utua wo ho ka wankasa kra fa manfo adwuma mu a fufu pounding machine no ene ade a mehyew e bia wakogi loan wo pe business bi de aye wo ankasa woni business a wo de nkran ha baji fufu machine mako 4 fasisi miaye 4 na a day hwisika ubenya a month hwisika ubenya a year we nipa de or the 4 prekope nti odi abaye ne se obefa your numbers no e wo TV na se Accra 0243 074750 Kumasi 0244 385 128 fa frame fufu machine bajibi we a choba operator ibo ha wo start aduane no anopa age about 12 and sana fufu ready madam obi beje wo customers so bomadi nya fufu pounding machine bi no kwasem ne se ye fufu machine no enye de dade ne dade ka twini bi ye de no kra uhia wo market wa na wo de ahyehye so hu na wo de aye ne sa nti ya dade ne twafa ho sa enkantare na ase wakodi dade bia yama engineers na hyeda adrosuko ahwehwemu ansa no moye de aba beto bi fa koye business unu e bi tifi oni adwuma ye fufu pounding machine fa number no ne gu TV na ase no fa phrase a na onsoso ebo business ba bia anya kama Accra ha titiriu ye di banku ye di dokono pa ya san akofa Kennedy abro machine aba abro machine no de se wunya bi disi baabi a wo yam abro wo yam nkate wo yam kokonte eno aso yam ayuo ya edi Hausa kokoyi enti emfasode bebre wo so sika bebre wom number no eye 0244 385 128 no aje wo de ye wo de yam mako ntos jene ene atosodie bia eno nti wo a restaurant wo ye choba wonso so kra bia wo pebidi aye business wo de auto afagosi market baby e ma no tom mako jene ni ade no garlic no wo de si ho ade bia bo se ono aye aduane o mo ba market beto sa ne o ma we nyina no e ho anom be yam no number no ye 0243 074750 egu TV na sefa na phrase si a mesre coastal ura u freezer no ensheda enfreeze ama wona mo sei beto eye deep freezer papa o Kennedy ho uto ya san ma wa chede e de apiso ebitumi to deep freezer no age stabilizer no de kofie umpe we de na ope Kennedy ho uto ade age receipt Accra ye Wager Old Barrier Kumasi ye Patase Adom House Patase Adom House ye ben police depot was your first floor and Kumasi ye sign wo eye Edum Family Plaza abro sign no first floor and for any njire ba bia wo kaso wo pe Kennedy bibia to no bi kire se bi was store we mu a wo koto na asemba ho a yen ntimi mmoa wo isan se ye niema bia receipt da so bra beto na yen tew so na sanji achede piece Easter we no akwanya ni ho ye nuano moma wo kitchen niema aye dada ebia wo be na emi ka say ensu aguso ama na tete nti wo ye aduane kra woni ahomka wo pe toaster wo pe air fryer wo pe blender sani o man ketenkete ni nyina bi wo Kennedy asoye afi ye nuano mo a mo pese musua se de ebo decoder Adom TV decoder ni nyina bi wo ho decoder bia wo pese wo to bia ebi wo ho wo pese wo recharge so abra wo pese wo sua decoder bobra e be kire wo na de bia wo so wo fa nyoma bi na wo so wo kobo ma manfo sika be ba obotom adwuma na wo so wo ye de wo ye bi no your washing machine ahodo bia bi wo ho washing machine senior mana na no a dry no unhia drying line Bra Kennedy asoye ne bejo de Kumasi Family Plaza bro sign first floor number no 0244 385 128 egu TV na se Accra ye Wager Old Barrier Kokrobite Junction ho number no 0243 074 750 Oko Patasia ye Adom House ye ben police depot first floor 0207 65 3031 number no egu screen as a fan frame baby bia wo mo amopese musua adepam se sika ba mu angasa we nurse ni asua adepam hey aban adwuma bi a ye bia utimi sua de pam ka ho na wabeji machine bi your machine akese industrial ones afie or small ones ni bi o upese obi ade pam school eno so ye business ba ko a se sika bam pa ni nyina oba Kennedy a ye de e ba nema ne o de atetete so ho wholesale price retail price ni nyina ne de ama ho fe popcorn machines no so ye de pi aba ubia meji binkoye business biye kokowi popcorn machines na nya asem ketwa to bi fakobo business okowu istay adomo kokowu ntu so ye den wo modern ne bra Kennedy uba Kennedy a no abeji o popcorn machine kama na fe o de ko no do koye business within 4 days no beba na wanya ho tam me pacho me de numbers ni tudwa ma me de chia kwan ma menyira hwe TV no so ne fa number no frɛ mabawa no ebeje osusufa ya mono na ne ya wa Accra Wager Old Barrier ho o frɛ 0243 074 750 0243 074 750 and 0244 385 136 0244 385 136 o frɛ sa number we wa Accra ya jo so fefefe uba kumase a ebia wo sunyan wo tamale wo yendi boko wale uba kumase ana se o mampa wo just place a call ne hu hia bia o doorstep ye be bro number no 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 Cisco mu bejo so e wa Adom Family Plaza aprosan nim first floor Kennedy Digital Satellite e ho asem na me no okay emfa nchen mane nko ba bia enkoto podwa ne oma bi na fi uba beblemi Kennedy misro woto so age receipt fine patase papa ya mo nso e wo ho ombeje so police depot nchen Adom house first floor ha ho number no enso ye 0207 65 30 31 bra ne beto ne ma papa bra ne ma wadwuma nye e wo Kennedy ahye ye ne ma no oto a ene adwuma ene nam na sika nso aba abotom na bibia ye kama
na Israel papa panti Kennedy Digital Satellite for on products no waka nyina ne numbers ni nyina nti nkọ ba bia na kọ ho no straight we are the receipt ye ne won komo no ye di si ha na afei yakọ aboma hene kwabena sante eto asomedi e de afia amankwa tamaklo
yasa ba ya damu ina masi ya to adwumadi ne so anum se ma menkai wa ofifi se ofifi asisi wa wonam krom so o no o hwe o phone so no no say to boase because issue no tokesi pa yi ka se fa yi ka se ma tokesi pa yi pa enti ye hye no so na bibia enti men ko kama emfa mai na quickly menkai also say tickets are available Airport Shell Joy FM and as over dial star 713 star 33 star 21 hash think media wono any ye ka say Adom TV for ya can see any the passion night 2023 near the bro we the betrayal until one the betray Jesus Christ Dr. Laiki and I say Van Vika it's going to be very very interesting omu when the Jesus and I say Ghana Jesus and Asalinko ebeye din Inti Nyame Adoma kwasi the 16th of April 2023 ewo the National Theatre ye the sa jumedi bro kwanso kosokra kai mu say Pa Thomas beba se episode so abeto jom Joy's Blessing and a Heavenly Jewels so once beba abeto kwa nyum kama edia mai ticket libi na makacho no o ton ntema ibia qualify so benya a free health screening from 1 to 4 p.m. and Sanya Shejumi ticket now to the Betmayabano. Standard tickets near 50 Ghana City, VIP near 80 Ghana City, and to call Airport Shell, Oko Joy FM, Obaya Jumakuima, Joy FM Frontex, Ubenebi, Oko a Dams Premium, and as all dilate star 713 star 33 star 21 hash. No one you be nafi, one hour boy Chidomo Kwanson, so anti ama sardine in tomato paste. Dams Premium Travel and Tour and a Jet Medical Services. One other Roman on us. Some person calls a boy as well. 055 1111 998 055 1111 998. No, it's mini one. Eddie Juma Okwansu. So it's the big show on the 16th of April. National Theatre. Think Media. Adom TV. Yeah, the air, bro. Make us say them pay for Atnasi. You for I pay. Atnasi re-elect Atnasi ha best make us obo wana lawyer Chumbe masa ka cho hwe na wana be ja no e yakoba akope no wana be ja do ama re-elect akoye adwuma enti IP is it the one kasa bi because ko kan nwa asem na mo gange and anwa na jimu nsem ti mo say bring back IP any nsem na kodo so ba ipa ba
ya nua mi nua na tren
oh nyame adom
what are ye fe
me da CP ni bia kama
ko wati fu question si ebo
ba wo so ba release mo yi men kan kama unti
ma kan ba say tifu nti na ba kan dia ma kasa
so ni da ho
ma kasa da ma kan
how would you na pop ti say lawyer Chum oh lawyer those why say me no o free baby be 12 lawyer ya chimni ya santini esa fantini
na dam ko sha no ko we bi ase no na ya bi me ko no chi a me ma ba ko na tra na me say na o du kra o fini a we ya go fine
lawyer baby o fi da be bre e di bra be ba na adwini so person ko no ko si akan bi no ho ni be wo say yes lawyer o fi mia be bre ti New Patriotic Party for Kratan enche bia mekan e de amount lawyer kwaba
ya minia
o party they say omo asho omo gime na say vetting no
oh yeah I'm so I think another way Tuesday
4th Tuesday
in terms of starting okay na bi beko and then what chance music
it omo wi ana
no up to Wednesday
up to Wednesday
parliament presidential then and omo wi parliamentary any gusu koso
okay parliamentary egusu koso the New Patriotic Party NDC for so far so good I think the only news I may have in here that's what I Menfi kwacha ka however Menfi Central I'm say one say any panel baako say onye qualified or say whatever but
then man qualified
but minimum details that's what I've heard that the insurance executives no and so almost on the press conference and a place so we will listen to the press conference that we can just look at it.
I think say one more vetting no hwehwe ne mamba ko bi sanya bibi a very crucial part there they should just apply their discretion in the sense that so be when say ade
what said to me no
oh so betting decides on your feet I mean so one case but
that's what I'm saying that say almost said to me say because ade we ya clear and
no they can do it and it's allowed so I'm saying because it depends on what comes to you
okay
so that's I didn't know the very extreme the extreme how is the way there what the compo be a party na kwa here whatna
okay
so that's in case the person wins
okay
in the primaries now if be a party na mu kwa be effect be whatna be there then I heard there so because the mo nya be a so grievous there na something trivial I think you can just apply your discretion and move on.
Okay, so we
because we disqualify will be no Ophelia. Nizikani non-refundable. Yeah, that is what I'm saying that they should apply discretion. Because we are count my boss so far on your crown quarter, but so for be a grand spend could be spend about 50,000 or so.
And yeah, even on the average,
yeah, or more. If you be bros about the average, about 50,000. Enti o no hwe na economy and then we now be 50 na ze ni ba kono zankan ono an sika na nsenka yes as disqualified no serious enti say nye too extreme dia I think they should apply some discretion and then
okay so yeah tell him say whatever transpires or no ebiji hon but for immediate release and rather the better abonting New Patriotic Party approves timelines for presidential and parliamentary primaries. The New Patriotic Party, at its National Executive Committee, NEC, and National Council meetings held on Monday, April 3, 2023, approved the timelines for the holding presidential and parliamentary primaries of the party for the 2024 general elections. The approved timelines are as follows: presidential primaries, opening of nominations into Mr. Muntie, Joga Tete, Freya Kototie, Ira Chairman-Tintie.
Freya Koto Okobiana.
Yeah. Former Greek minister.
Okobi.
He's in the race.
Okay. Na nyo no mbuja say the name of the president went to answer.
Ochire mu na one want to say. So without being a flag bearer, how can he become president?
No mind today. Yeah, before we TV and Rene Busa question, why do you want to be president? I mean, is that not to be a flag bearer? Is that not a distinction between being a flag bearer? The question was very specific. He didn't ask you why do you want to be a flag bearer. I cannot jump to mine. And when Musa said why, he knew that there is a position called flag bearer. Well, Musa no. Was it why do you want to be a president? To lead the country. We have demonstrated why we want to be a president. UPSC. When we said agriculture can be the focus for Ghana's development. It's not if you are no, one thing. I'm so surprised. Why do you want to be president? Interview. I said interview beside this. What do you know president? Yeah, I know say. No, see. I need to be a flag bearer. Or your president. Because when the flag bearer, when MVP. Yes. Oh, mama chim. Oh, Sano kind. Well, none of them for me. Oh, yes. No, what can someone know? Yakasa, I'm not mentioning no. The other way around. That's order. Well, some out here. No, so Obi Castle and of them was a lawyer. I'm not for ya. Now we're crying issue. I'm surprised. I'm not from Baba Church in my way out from. I'm not Baba Church, we say, and yes, I'm not patch it. I'm not president. I'm not person called Makola. Oh, that because me, I heard you. I said we LLB no again. Wow, deviation as I want to add me. No. But Obama change. What's the man couldn't answer the question. What you tell me? Presidential practice, but Obama wanna contest as a query. Yeah, me too. So, nomination is on the 26th of May 2023. Closing of nomination is on the 24th. And what the way you never you say Rajogati, Ira Chemate, Ira Free Akutu, Ira Kennedy Japan, Ira Baumia, Ira Lanchema. Baumia the vice president of the land. Oh, Umbi, he's in the race. Waka. Of course, he's in the race. No, Waka na. No, that's what Mukudiji may give you. But someone can't start. Oh, but clearly, 1 million on kind of $20 million. You're trying. Are they more way? Ah. Okay, so special electoral college elections, if any, on the 26th of August 2023, National Congress 4th November 2023, parliamentary primaries, orphan constituencies, opening of nominations 16th of June 2023, closing of nominations 14th July 2023, elections 1st August. I don't know second. You date and I was like, I don't know when opening and closing. There be campaign period. Say the campaign don't enough time to convince people. Yes. But finally, maybe I meant yes and say. In the orphan constituency, I'm going to raise issues. When they found. Hey, Debbie, are you interested? Yeah, they are feedback. You're very good candidate which may destroy MP and NDC. What are all you may destroy MP. I'm only because I want to move forward. The day I pay we lawyer. Yep, credible candidate. I also to may destroy NDC in the Mahama. One may PM. Into I see a Toyamboas. Near scrutinize process. Nti nipa ebe no be the best of our best. Okay. One more man in a men's cook. And no can so let me see the best from our best. The lawyer. Hey, one man in a men's cook. Men's cook omo you the power. Papa. But no one dey even know. 80 constituencies with sitting MPs in Papachomo who said maybe nominations no on the 20th of December. No, we this year on go. Yabo buga. I know they say party. This is one this is one now ambition. Oh, Ghana fast here. This is baby I was sitting MPs in the yeah. No, but you know most of them also have ambitions. If you want to be an MP, resign. I resign. Come also the resign of create change for the young. See, I don't know. Man, I didn't tell. So they would me if you want to pay. Say they was here but what papa to pay. How you pay boko there? You may don't boko. There's an industry that is Ko hana bla. Nano da etwo miensa no parliament ayi fefefe wajato ba guta for nse bebre omo guta for te guta for nse omo kan kwa ne yenya nse no omo kan ma hene ma minchia wetifo na minchia he says the president na na Akufo-Addo ene na apamfo nyina
Minchia, Ura Lankodicha Martins, Sammy Baby, with Team Fibiano, Onion, grounds me very fertile for him. Meaning, be able
for Alan Cheman.
Exactly. Now,
for Alan Cheman.
I don't know when you're smoking.
No, but you know, we both.
And I don't know what you're
my man is not maybe some question. Meaning, be already now that. Your friend, Hetty. Or to dance so my team me pa yes.
Dance man.
That's my. Or catch me so or team new to this program. My main channel. Man, I weather papa
and I wouldn't do anything is what.
Na Nakopon can win show man in the America any year.
So why do you think Alan Chemantin is winning the flag raising contest?
One would say in every elections, it happens in NDC, happens in MPP, in other jurisdictions, it happens. Anytime they are ever call internal primaries BC. Now, the party versus the government. The party wins.
What does that mean?
Yes. It's your president. It's your president. Go for Ebreso. Emra government, contested the party. The party says no. We want.
Parties. What's the party versus government?
Yes. Anytime the party contests the government. There's a party or candidate.
And a government is your candidate.
A picture will be painted. Clearly, you will see.
So, is it happening today?
It happens in 2008.
Is it happening now?
It happens in 2008.
Now, there was answer.
It's here.
It's 2008, and the party won.
So, i.e., the party candidate in wine.
Don't pretend. Me see, it's 2008.
No, I don't even know.
And government, they're nearby me. Someone come on.
No. I.e.
And see, yes, elections are this is
our parliament. This is a political education that will help all of us. Because one, I have never paid attention to the party person and the government person. It's important.
Your nomination here started campaign. Who is the party person?
So how does it happen? The party person.
Some will say, delegate. MPP young electoral college near the It's pyramid. It's pyramid.
Okay.
Now the base is about 200,000 delegates.
200,000.
Yeah, and that is 208,000.
Base
is about
branches.
Every polling station we have five people. That's about 30. Yes.
200.
That is what the party is. So if you are doing campaign, now paint a picture, say government in the contested party, and the party wins.
Because I see all for the party for.
That is party people from the constituency chairman.
So was one.
Yeah, did you
mean? Someone chairman. This is a very big platform. But that will be a DDM.
Oh, what now? I mean, all my education. And I'm saying normally, if you do the pyramid format, I see only per go. Sir,
from constituency chairman down. If you like, you add the regional. Executive.
Coming from
it is a campaign.
That's
who painted picture say. Let us whip the government in line. If you do that, the base is left for your opponent to pick, and the base is 200,000. Again, as against the.
I think Matthias, that means it's a contest of the base, i.e., the party against the government. And so
the apex at the top.
Government definitely, Baumia will suffer.
Oh, no, I said,
and then Allah will go for.
At 2008, can see. That's what we know there was a business with him. You know,
2001 other party, no.
Separate and then you could.
I know the call.
Yes, that's what.
But that's a nice democratic.
In general, Baumia on government, which I am before now to do achieve. And you're quite yes, there's a straw for no one means that now
in a year now. Sika ahoden bibia ewo the top na base no so ekita power it nana make kan obi say people in power versus people with power
yeah
MPP ni still
people in power
I don't know
that's what make kan
that was what that pattern
no me busa say bia wa free
that's what better why kasa wo ko MP I own not the but also
let me say me big question.
You are not
people in power and people with power. No, make us and I know just have
so oh boy be a corner and then this is should have to lawyer boy na. It's really also the petrol what you don't hear was. It's a conference today. No party no. Oh I told me sir good for kasa. Surprisingly, the speaker and so because onye from Sobia kwan of us so G2 say the yes people no say one in parliament is and I win it for the day no. What really is wrong with the tax sniper?
Actually, I tell who our parliament preliminary hono chamber hono mpempi no asana be hu bibi o chamber no na bibi akoso outside the chamber. Nti bills no as a financial amendment send ya hu ya mpempi no speaker be refer eda koma finance committee say omunhwem na omun report na say omu kohwemu a omu take decision ewo committee level and sana aba na ni majority for can say ye ko share our committee level no ye nyina afanu ni nyina na afi winim say the ratio between the majority and the minority now is very slim. Some of the committees are 50-50. I don't know much about finance committees. I think it's one person different or 50-50 if it is. It is a committee for them pronunciation and minority for them very strong at the committee level. I can be to me a jina na omabogu. But majority for me at the committee level no. When you get to inti wo hunye intia over bedu chamber ho na afei group no minority for be gasi dabi ya na makasa no ya jitu mu ewo kokoam nti ade yempen wo basa wa anya fair to your group it's say who opportunity say at the committee level we gasi mempen so na mato aba na ya report e be report be majority report say the majority report no eba parliament and the next speaker him say a majority report ye kwa head count and a secret ballot. But once a report na eba na majority report na minority report na report afanu ni nyina age atomo no impempi no speaker you obehu say report you be recommended for voice vote. So time can I say
because afanu ni nyina already no ma clear.
Yeah, clear. Because mo na me report aba. Ena mo minority for no mo ranking member in the group na we committee level no age report na atomo. And I'm paying you see a lay report now. The committee chairman and the lay report now we introduce motion. Now ranking member no a second motion, or second year or run commentary kakra. With the commentary ranking member and be run and also be informal speaker. Say committee no minority na agi atom at the committee level and now we ntom. Ana impempi no ansa na beka se yeko head count and now yeko voice votes and now yeko secret ballot no impempi no speaker tie both sides of the house the majority and the minority no beka nti me dey dey say say ajatum isane say yeko for IMF bailout bailout na yeko no nkyere say yeko tena hwa na IMF so hu na ye fenti mu the Ghana for me sika no what we expect say you be put your house in order. At least you bebo your home den kakra. Asa na obi atumi aboa. Se obi aboa so no wagya wona ngagu hu nkoye te se na agaso akokoto yan so na wagya wona. Nti ehu be hia se sa 3 billion na eba ne. Se bedumpo na nya yefi yensiesi fo. Yen akasa ya anya mobilization kakra anye se ye boa ye ho next kind ba. In fact share was yenya wosika no ho no yenya. Eninti era finance minister say young more than pesca kakra, be about 4 billion Ghana cedis. Now, you found in support to your budget, a 2023 budget. You found support in the kakra. And so I say, I am a scanner babano. Let us say, you when you so kakra, you to meet this scanner, I am human. Inti a idea, a fanuni ajatum. You could say a guta, any manufacturing companies living. About one thing, I can see ministry no and man yet
no engagements.
A lot of consultation. Now, Sassamono, a profubia and saying about the men who are meant to ask it. Will be a new or a tax our way too. Midway, Me MPP, yes, I've been an MP for 12 years. I like the party. I speak for the party. But, sir, me wo business be na tax be ba ebe hit me business ah. Me nka se me MPP nti na awa wa tu ne maji. Me dia me me and or ya e beji. Nti ero na finance ministers ni expert, tax experts or finance ministry and government me who say you can say tax be e be bia no. I just say you na amount for no kwatranse e kwadweno ho a if you don't take time we will not even get any tax introduced. And ya dey betumi anya tax bia se be adwuma because o man hene wutu yeah, the tax be by business I will run him. Now say can't you say open and I won't power because I won't pay. It's in Pempino near strategy in Ghana all over the world. Even in America, advanced country, no what the way we are. Now I feel Casabi or where no Macasa Sata in the parliament I jar to me. Now tax the Baba Jumano. Now one day, Nipan bit to tax on Atanasi. No actual Kwan or Fascia will be tax on. Since I crave you a man, Sacred or parliament to pass a bill you crown never actor. Implementation level no which me sakrai and affect the component or the details of the bill na the core parliament no nti finance minister yes say ya watumi anya to me efi parliament so betumi the tax na ya adwuma no obekwa kwehia nipa we say tax we hia won kra be na what tax na say na won so watumi atua because taxpayer no so or ni role or niam bi also ye ansa na aban atumi agi tax no nti woni na hia na wan kirekire ni mu no we hu ohawa e de bebre enwuma oye no na se ani ane se parliament a pass ama wonti ma implement for tax ne bra na se we nya fa me nti emu behia anya de ministry of finance I na agene say oh se see enya parliamentary approval it ends it definitely no all the taxpayers no what side industries na e affect tax we kwakwa affect wo no better answer na on adwene ho no nga din ta ho na on ho kwa be fa so e be di tax na emfa ohaw biara emre amanfo a obabetu asa tax ampa na mitie manufacturers ni other companies ni bia so obo kan say adu we baba ma anya yebeyi yebele workers efi adwuma me je say Ministry of Finance yes research ni nyina hwe sa na ma ni nyina nti sesi a wanya approval so obeje tax no oni sa stakeholders no kwa transfer na say ebe affect wo ma woni ko obefa so a obeboa wo se na ebe ya enkoba se obi betumi ahwele na adwuma isa na say the employer or say utua certain tax to government and na metie information minister honorable Kojo Pankroma no kan and it you do with him edu stage bi say or say yetumi boa aban na ye nuanom NDC focus amani say me nua twum ba beka say obeka ho asem na so no kwara wo ni say ye ba no ye promise say ampa we are moving from taxation to production. Now taxation production is a process. It will not even take you 4 years to do that. That's why you buy a pet and you start to say, okay, I didn't know you introduce maybe a bit to me more production. And a typical example is one district, one factory. A typical example is planting for food and jobs. You introduce certain interventions here. I can remember manner very sustainable. And then for 3 years running, we are exporting more than what we import. See, it's a good sign. But with this international crisis, the Ukraine, what's the main? But it's true. And also, they don't have a better man. And yes, sir, we should not do performance up to 2019. Now we share economic indices. No, meaning I said, what should now shout and say, now we are moving from taxation to production and pa. So, how you by COVID, therefore. COVID year say confirm never be now so happen in Ukraine, Russia. Russia it produces 11% of the world crude. Into say how about that's a one production. But you can see what happens to our crude. And I wouldn't say crude because affect every commodity on the market. Into Nanka we're on course from moving from taxation to production till 2019. Now encourage because now you are auditing you say you're building about 295 factories. And ukwa 295 factories any nyina na operation na adwuma and then nyina na to employ the needed people that we wanted to employ. Why? Because I was say you to me raw materials ye de be production ade companies say you here capital our de be ni nyina yes economic crisis here abai and am you to me enya the needed raw material because anka yes factory ni nyina na sika ho a na raw materials no so ye hu adwuma na o see dua na o see a crack na o see you two of them o see you two na o see any crisis abanity edo how kakraba and no na we say ye nyina ye te ase na ye nuanom NDC for so te ase say so obo say wo hwe na ado na kwaku fa ado aban yi pa na ubu nintenga oya man trend from 2017 to 2019 to the early part of 2020 ni ayetumi kukuro man edikudu na ye mi se nuanom si na ne mo kan ampa crisis aba ye nyina den na mo so mo ba ye se mo ba. What is the alternative? Alternative I catch here say crisis here ko mo nyina opposition MP de opposition government de ni anka so we say aban no e wo hawa na so so monya say won anya na wa catch Ghana for say oh ye catch aban ni say onye the proposal bi tu na nim so onye wa anye intimonto aba ma ye na ye de ye ba ye be ye asema NDC and owura Adom catch MPP ni say yenko IMF si ye hwe na say economy no ye ho akire yen yes, that's international crisis, no. I'm a how about the IMF. If it is here, say Yanko. But they insisted, say, Monko IMF, and pack. Yes, you are training who say, and I'm ye levy. Yes, you introduce ya, and to me, and yes, I pay to me at the target into ye, I just am IMF in Nebeko. And pack Yako IMF Fugusia, warrior preparation, no Abasu and Asan. It is a IMF is kind of a beam. Now get Ghana, now got two about my NDC in John Mahama, and where be someone say. One solution to the crisis is a young IMF. IMF no so yako. It says ya wo ba dem pa potin na NDC wo na Ghana for biem. Wo ba se kukuru economy na ye de akọ IMF de down no. Asan de akọ biem ana dem apart from IMF no. One chilen additional nko a obe na no bi sa NDC ni bi si. Say ya musi yanko IMF that the solution to the crisis. Yako IMF no. Mo so mo ba dem na mo be ye. Also ba betwa S Gracia. Na migre ho ne say wo hwe S Gracia yetua si yetwa mu a sika yebenya for 10 years yetwa S Gracia mu for 10 years a sika yebenya no enye sika enu betumi asiesie economy no in any way si yebetwa mu si yentwa mu that is not the position that I'm coming from me sure say if your solution to Ghana crisis economic crisis now is to cancel IMF then you have no solution to cancel S Gracia, yeah. Now you have no solution because Ultra S Gracia man, the dividends and now Sika Ubenya from Council of S Gracia, it can't be found free senior high school. Says Kanumpo, and to me in free senior high school, 1% of the Sika here they are supporting free senior high school. It's also bad or the private schools can't free senior high school. I would say I'm a Ghana Bakanti in yet I'm a Ghana Bakanti review, Nanya cost share and parents into Yebi. I feel bad. What the private schools babe ka ho na what the private school be ka ho e mo Ghana ka e mo man inside na echi e se o man iska sama na Ghana fo ye be tira mo muntie na muntie nsama ye nuanom NDC fo no waka no na mo ma ye nyina fa adwene na ye makwan na MPP aban entra so nche yetumi break 8 no ni ye nya at least 24 years in addition to 8 years now and no ma ye sha ase agenda 111 na ya sha ase yetumi wie one disease, one factor, I shall say, free senior high school, and you were about 1 million students. What about a one year work with university? If we move 20% to crack university, we are going to get about 200,000 graduates. One Sika will be cheer while you're doing through income tax acquire Adom. I bet cheer for the cost, the money we are spending today on free senior high school. Abang Biara, or we say Abang the Sika. Investing in education for consumption and who need fashion is about only on my agenda papa more man. Okay, Singapore country be a 60% higher education in our country, you know. You will try over your bar, where you very much. Okay, yes, I'm Babim, Edamina Masi, Nino for pay a one, the lawyer Chum very much so I'm saying, very much unfortunate boy, Kodia, Kumau, my honey, and a pay Nana, good morning. I for him for Yanani, him in Yachia Monso, and a pay. Yet was the Chum, Ochiana, nice, so booming. Somebody, because Nana, order, where they made they say,
obi na kai be sonkra iti machia o mabo me mu uni akuma so se ono so ware se le
me me ba be free ba na kwa na wo shia ono woni anyway o mine ana pa en check ma ahwefo ne tifu tie mini apani akanson bebre badom mpani first touch amati we pro o mine asem bia wo kan bia da ho ochena ye be make reference to you see enika o say president Mahama say o so kusi ndis ni bi na ndis ni say ekwan yan so be fa so asobo ahwe economy ni say be cancel as gracia na as gracia na dia na wo cancel as kana benya no kwatimi nya hwe o mine minim obia or presidential staffer, and that's why I'm office of the president. The first 4 years of this government, me want to check. Yes, guys, check me. Me wouldn't miss guy when I. Amount of him was 250,000 Ghana cedis. If I saw 100, multiply it. It's because anybody. Fantastic. So 100. Multiply scam abodi actually. It is kind of 2.5 billion multiplied by 100. So this is what we are talking about. Yan kasakeke. Mine, yan kasakeke. Ebiem was yo. Yan ko kan say yan review free SHS. Ne that na who say utu for akasase mu
about free SHS.
Yeah, review. It's important because now quantity over quality.
Edi padodo no nemu yenhwe
quality na befi mabad.
Say the papa.
Yes.
It's wholesale.
But quality education is what we need for our children,
not quantity.
Not quantity. Quality education. Yet ya bostu ya mukasa baby yet mi kasa without fear.
Quality.
Quality education ya your mind wouldn't say me to him. Ma men kasa me na enmunyam. E free me kwala brem be pem se me Jesus. Me tra my grandparents nchen. Me kwa the friend is I to school me go be there. From KG to JSS 3. Now what we call Montessori or then type preparatory school. En kwa na me koy. Me na ba nko school da. Was said, but never pass it. We are about who has go school to my grandfather, they are not a bit educated. But these two people, it's me can want to my bano. And mamma, that quality education. And my name is Afro, but we are doing. I see something in your papa.
You're dilute, no.
So that's it. So we need quality education for our children, no quantity. Numbers, we can produce the numbers. But if the number, the outcome now abandoning your papa, product if you abandoning your papa, we are wasting our time. And that is why we need to do a review on our education system.
So the review does not necessarily mean say and so content.
Content is important. Now this and a review means cancellation. On condition important is out.
Such a
review means say yes, sacrum, yet the be and what the show, just send it drain. In literal terms, like I said, you have reviewed the structure of this building. Me what?
Say no.
Man say no. Okay.
So the free SHS is ongoing, but Moma Juno is seen to be in to
come. Messi minima makola bi mafia. We be. Me ma manafu. Am then some transfer work kid and no more base and who's a colano ko sua. He can be seen in everyone 10 years 1.5 years. As we school that TV. We school TV. Me bedroom ya kwata ba fosi mafia. I'm telling you. Someone say, so we need quality education for our children, our sisters, our brothers. You offer us that I for no school no, and this school no more free in the how be one no. Eh how be a me go for the secondary school. Me see me scholarship na ko. Because my grandparents were cocoa farmers.
Scholarship.
Well, and you were anyway, saying fancy be now that because of the free education into one should here and no be for anything, so it's no more. So that's it. Quality education is important, and only I can want some.
But why do you raise quality when almost say quality and almost combined with quantity.
It's not true. You see, and that is our problem. You mean a proper solution to our crisis, no? Because who can't be any training pan when you say you can correct. But for political experience, won't tell you no. No, we are not saying what man I
but this is about education, so you can't compromise on this.
But they are doing it. They are doing it. Oh my, she said even the heads in Nakasabwaka Ashom. What mean Kasa? Upama, and some I can miss a be phone line and net no and your name like it no one. Cabin the virus teacher at the Baba Canima school match of we need quality and parent be on the back of secondary school. So penny here, penny bunny here, we need some extra class teacher.
Yeah, I say I have very
because who rely on the own one say or Bob a grade 100 now I heard open.
So those that cannot afford.
I don't know to do the answer with Janaba when them one will be wanting. So these are the things we are talking about. And when first papa must or papa one must one and then we do. Name when you so when you be the other training above Naman the Diasa. Yet I can. And yes, I am pass a policy in Bacoso, and I see I'm poor money, you know. Rather, no, you are looking at the future because some of us can school baby your mind, and not so be a man goes with that. Any nonsense. Any nonsense. It's not just about passing to me lecture because I'm telling me was it when you go to school or any training, that training must pass through you. Not you passing through the training.
Who pass it through? That's what you.
Of course.
A foul mudia, Sakura was a song. And in those days now, military training and police, and they tell you say they are draining the civilian out of you. Near that security service. So that when the training will pass through you, not you passing through the training. I don't know can watch them. Now, over here, we say, Ocean Naku for the band modern band, what Buffy 2017, 18, 19, but they are not sending a band on you. The figures were good.
Video figures. I didn't figures. Sure? This is a report, our news report, December 13th, 2016. Today, 13th December 2016. IMF projects Ghana's economy to grow by 7.5% in 2017. And the anticipated growth that they came to enjoy.
Managed well.
They managed well.
Now, you say, essence of foundation we are no.
Foundation we are 20. Foundation we are.
Buy no also share our year. Would you read 2017 more? At Mako IMF in
Pomani Benini and Paraman Zuni.
But so nya
papa o man Messi Oba Messi and Para o man in here. Say I'm constant say wabom. Simplicity.
Abusha penny very
Abusha penny. Abusha penny do what I was no. I am telling you this. So whatever they are saying, it is not the making of kind of Rata Kufuado about me. None of them.
It was projected.
It was projected. It didn't anticipate that 2 years training yourself. It was a growth from the year 2017, 18, 19. No, I feel one more. I feel that about 2 months. I say one so much. You must say
COVID.
They didn't COVID. That is something. You know it. COVID. Oh, Pomani Baku, when you are covered the same fast work as sitting trencher, a bang way in the Ghana. You come. Who can cover the audit report now? Cover the person here, say, won't tell a fear more from home. Huh? Because the person go for COVID, but not one COVID retreat, quite deep without COVID man. These are the people managing our economy. One more. To fear. Number for net free, not one more inaugurated chieftaincy institutions with COVID money. What kind of audit report? No more year insurance. One say, oh, you're frontline workers, nurses, any doctors, PA, it was dangerous. I say, what is this? We are COVID no back when I'm for video American video. We are Chinese in Yaku Rambo, Mr. Cramon, because of COVID. There's a COVID one. It's funny anyway. But the person because you say, oh my, Nini action. Yes, I insurance on my frontline workers. Companies insurance number one. A billion 1 year enterprise insurance. You can your company and the deacon. When you 30% value of the money. Oh my, Wouldn't say according to the report, and was saying, Mrs. Yeti, you can say, you need any insurance policy document for any of those people are almost on insurance amount. And some mind is coming.
I say a query, they will respond in 10 days.
Query.
On Sankaya. Audit report, they said they are 100% correct. They are certain.
Do you know when? No, but so what kind of report? Now the report tells you when they put their query, the response that came out. And you back when I demand the Kanye, and someone you're going to one can now report. I've read it too. Maybe what I do is anyway with mine.
Because audit report, there were two say bar. You will never be one.
Don't send me money. I send a report to your capture. You capture response to those query in the okay. But it doesn't make sense anywhere. Some make a insurance and my work saying. As until ultimate hey. No, insurance and query policy document. So also insurance. I want to do in the
that can't be true.
That is the case. There is no policy document. There are no beneficiaries. They are nothing. But yeah, the COVID is going. So they can't even mention COVID because they benefited from COVID. They got some revenues that they never anticipated from COVID, and they misused it. My partners are reckless. How can you even say this? You are more than reckless. But now these taxes. The replica effects in this. One back home here income tax. I have a question. Until what would you pay now with your income tax now? Then I buy so betum. Or by your more. Cameraman, the betum, you're budgeting more. Producers, the betum, you're budgeting more. Ephraim. But I can't you an question saying, Nadam, who can we know any party? Me, no, I am that is a relative. That is based on taxes. Now, you see, but I don't dispute that. But some man who talk America, who come America near you to a state like Connecticut in America, who drive now who photo or crime. There's a toll free number that you can call within 24 hours. That photo must be filled or what? See, Anya. Me uncle be tired farm when I get to. Thank you. And I'm saying, it is here to talk a you move more how. It's a hot one and didn't assume for so who's for when you come out. That's why we are complaining. When moment you know what you men's group way. Nobody.
I said, you know, so bad.
Now, some so they have the men, but the men, that's all my emphasis. So now they have become
they cook.
I wouldn't be cooking. Oh, you know, they are no kitchen. Oh, and me and Pia went. Oh, my head will be a.
Oh, promote men's cook.
Oh, yes, oh, Madame Diana super. Maybe super, but one know, when we are on men's cook standard, when they are no encourage. So that's it. So back to the taxes. Yeah, back to the taxes. The Americans say, "Yang, I mean, many animal depressive still. Almost the multi for nurses, whatever. Name them. And even the private institutional workers. Would you boss me a country? Yeah, what do you have two full paying with your friends income tax? Out your employer and about I could my buying. Those things are going to be increased. Yeah, but two more. But we are also a country and I could do something. I'm born on the young back here and you will be your mind. So you are still going to suffer. The hardship is still going to be more. What's what the excise duty and so we increasing. What it means is that Saname crowd year free, let's say US, number be doing an maybe a coming duty at 20,000. Now it's going to go up. The replica effect is a cost on one. Maybe time what's about on boarding. Say you. So now never born by your more. So automatically your inflation will not be coming down. Inflation is cost more. So what I say? So I'm not trying to go to Kabigum. And no tina sabra no na more opposition. One bow me ya you got to the new to cook and say. Mammy quoting na me for
your vice president.
I one bow me na. I don't know one ya. No, Ghana's vice president. You. What say? This is the tweet, 2015 December 2nd. NDC has resorted to increasing taxes under the economic difficulties they created. So under the economic difficulties,
just last week, no, boss.
Okay,
to give hope
to why? No one will hear hope. Oh, come out. Shall be able to see anyone who's about me as one of those. You'll be able to see on this over. One woman here hope. How can you give me 1 year as a video? One way.
But I don't know what I'm going to say. Or no, the controller of the country.
Did you hear what the Kufu said about him in opposition? Was it about me? Or One na nyansa ni nyina ewo ne tirimo. No atwe ne ho agina nche na ba omiem gina no mekasa ntre Ghana fo. One no kire wa kire Ghana fo a wo se wo tue wanim se togoni bi wa kire similarities ba omia. And now he has become I don't even know what to say about this guy. What does it? So this was his worst. So and this for increasing taxes and economic hardship. So Mr. Covered about what levy be able to see a guzo je friend covered levy. What they are two VAT so. Ti ukota dia ye tew. E ka ho bi. Ahin wonya free mu. E dey no dia. These are the things we are talking about. He has been there. We are having a worse version of that one that he was complaining about. A worse version. And then it's not even can be no. And now because now his words have become useless. Because can be no. And now to can be a fact. Now what do we say an MPP government would do differently. Indeed, they are doing differently. And the tax in the one in Nassau, what pay them? The anyhow, what they are.
But now we the foreign companies establish or car companies about factories set it up, acquiring who drive a year buying all year, you know, matters of nap. But acquiring that is also not as you put them can send the what buying to me? Oh, Quabanazante, Minunco, we are quite me found quatching, me found quatching. Can you see him? Ucrum cry, Henny, do naka. As you went to Yano. Take one at you. No, but just say, Metressa, we come to me raining in ah, now the until Monwas for his away to be that. Okay? And Monwas for him said, who could not parliamentary. We have done worth more than any other government. Who told you? As we speak. Who told you? The data. They want that. Figures of body you can tally. Let's not go into the nitty-gritty. I mean, what I just say and breaking down. I'm saying as we speak, that is what the Ministry of Roads. Eka. You also doubt the ministry. Oh, Ministry Ben. Roads. Now the minister must have banned a question. Oh, but that's very unfair. To who? For what basis? Well, part of your class is a woman. The road minister. I am telling you. Let me tell you why. So, do you know the action to take you in the road to see when some demonstrations are workers oh yeah. So we had made in Podia. I buy more cancel to you be the only reason. And that's why they are never be put the position on notice. Born and Kaye be saying that they be a Bosumia say the BC. And Kaye be a man. The only answer of a class to be able to jam more media for me about to then I buy. I say, if in a decro, saying the first and could be going maybe. But have you been watching the space? What space? On road development, construction. Now I'm in Ghana. I be done for you. Me Ghana. Me plano. I drive. Me no pepe. Thank you. I drive. It's a day I go who am me who. I don't offer a Nungwane sprinters ne motorway any. Oh, na sprinters. Now for China. Oh, better sprinters. Sprinters kwine na mahama yama ye do carry road and there from an Johnson Kofa Chado ne ekopiem wo Lekma road near that. Mu ba na mo support no. Mu ja kwan to sa won so won master page on the ba ya so be ja kwan bia ye e dey investigation go see say one outcome of free investigation by ye mu yesem mo so my yard. Nothing came out. So a time wasting must say bread second man ko man ko so. Mafo manage to make kwansu ye demonstration was one say na money ba mo so. Amakwata na mu ko ho ene amiam nua I friend say okoboy. Asana for you now it's been done. It na I don't know stop here. Uba no be ye kwanda. Dina na obi jan never so no so. Man edie man the service industry na ma tam no more ye and overpass across the motorway. Akopiem wo. Oh baby edu. I'm coming to the point. Someone make an aguzuka. That road was ongoing. Uba edie mu jai. No more jai. Eja twa and very na from Masande mom they are now back. Second moment to us like 2023 we make we kwanda. It's all the way now but now once after we had made man oil. It was ongoing already. What we had you? University Gardens in Kwana had you main road atomic ko wa we go so. Say you do Kwana. Now how do we construct a road? Because they're okay there. We didn't say the how do we construct the road? Even GG quality of the oh, lawyer power, see GG quality. So come was the rap of the veil. I give you. And the man, would you be the man that makes it? Oh, of course. Now, you want send your account. No, because go. But man, say you shouldn't be one. Yeah, about the next one. But about the partner for about the next one. Send your account. Have okay, call. But now, I'm just. Let me see. 8 minutes here. Stop where grass are process. I will go back to the. Oh, see how no. So see cano ni see can be a. And I'm trying to oh, I'm trying say 8 minutes here. Say no cano. Obi ti obeke see me see say grass. I need to be to me school. That why you see am. Oh, sir. And you know the best solve the economic crisis na you mo. You are dealing with economic crisis. President now can say oh. One person of us have solve the economic crisis. Me grass for I are not telling it. That is. And so I offer a cube of. Is that what he said? And that's one side President Mama can dispute. Was this open president? One side President Mama. One side president. Was this a president? Now, that is not what Mahama said. Okay, so on the issue of Gracian, that's Oba, one can Ghana quantity in terms of the education, yes. Into quality, on per quantity. Exactly. Into local school now, the grandparents and the call quality school. Now government schools a quantity and quality. Into quantity and quality now starting with MPP pencil. Internet free senior high school and then the quantity about now compromise quality. And even that, Mahama President Mahama former T. Oba or the private schools Baba free senior high schools. No increase quantity no. Or Baba increase quantity no. Internet and compromise quality. Is that your analysis? Fine. But sir, but can I what you say? Ye bra ye increase quantity no. Ye make it sure say contact hours will increase. Into when you are now fast one or school now who's or bed you know. The fact is when spend 3 months for school or bed you know, and just say the contact hours was not increased. GS can in pen P catching. A son say COVID and numbers no akosuru you put up measures say abofano ko school and me teacher for be na within that same period no contact hours be kosoro e ma then minister for education aboma topoku prepanapo e ba bentin e be analysis be yanya age to mo say nkola no do wo mo nche wo school mo no contact hours no e high because recreational activities be na niam bia ye yifu e be ma mo tumi nya more contact hours no e kosoro. The fact is wo fast one entumi na wo bana wo na comment sorry no entumi kan prof penny chese wo fast ni tie wu ya momi nya asa na Ghana for the prof kasa na measure somebody intelligence na nya no ene ebebua ye nyina ya o si ye hwe ne ama ebeja growth so obi projective growth in an economy not bad managers ebesom exactly my point. Sana President Kufuor Baya oja 26% to GDP growth debt to GDP was 26%. Now mass look at 56%. So we prepare for good. Now good managers the growth you will not get it. Into projections in the over projections at the implementation level no we are very good managers manage implementation who grow from one sanka into growth now I'm predicting a buy because a kind of for and now that Kwakufado and the MPP abano you manage system to achieve our growth near just count of fueling generators move up there's move 4 years lawyer cancel Enti amra na muntu mi manage economy no enye sika nto fuel en generate power na edesumu 4 years ye ba no yetumi be manage no emi enya fuel and the go generators no ema na dum so it's thing of the past. It's part of the countries biara face crisis today. Talk of Nigeria, South Africa, and then look at the I'm for countries say na mo ye hu mo be ka say mo hu a kire mo say na Ghana fo hu a kire mo no and a subsidy so that mo pile debt. Now splashing on your face, be real. Debt now accumulated by subsidy no. More person inflation now consume more compressing system no.
Ena mwa ha. Ena bibia na government absorb. Government absorb unso ntua. Until you are piling up debt, be careful. Now, no, IMF called the Tico Diva. He told them. Ain't no, yes, sir. And that countries, yeah, woman, you're having the soon. South Africa, the soon. Kenya, the soon. Cote d'Ivoire, the soon. And Nigeria, the soon. Ghana, you're light. Ghana, you're light. Yeah, to me, I manage sa economy and crisis. A heat team, Miribiara, Yenyasika, Etofuer. The power generators. It is handsome. No, President Kufuor Bejao debt to GDP 26% debt to GDP.
And the cost.
More than 56%.
And then what they are going.
And you're marking of 56%. And what they are going. Yeah, they are 93.5.
What they are 104.
Oh, 93.5. 93.
104.6.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but Parliament for 12 years. Oh, my 56% will 56% will exclude any public debt. Government debt. There's a difference between public debt and government debt. Well, say, yeah, 93.5 years, 7 years. For Sunny Hydro, it was one part of government debt. And this is for one and far Terminal 3 airport. Zalo, no matter Ghana Airport Company balance sheet, and 56%. No. Cocoa syndicated loan and 56 no. But yeah, ban. I am say you perceive public debt or man Ghana you perceive who car body. It is a public debt to dem mo fani nyina mo back. Into cocoa syndicated loan e kan we hu. Ghana Airport Company loan e kan we hu. Extra sika e kwaji loan e kwaji di extra kwaji loan na ye can say no the extra dey betu ano. O me ye dey aka. Sun Hydro 2 billion e kan we hu. See, yes, I never way in a man will fall below even 70%. But I'm a physician for the Iran count. It's a dimensional. Yeah, with all this MPP, Bosia Yabo, 37% to GDP. The difference. So subtract 56% if you 93 more. NDC, so when you 26, 56 more, NDC Yabo, Bosia 30%. It's a double structuring. The only difference between MPP and NDC is 7%. With COVID, everything. The difference is 7%. All right, I will not do your way. One man for MPP, Bosia Yabo, no man multiply by 12, the exchange rate. One man for NDC, no man multiply by 4.7. Yabo Bosia 400 billion. Opa, young for exchange rate of 12% and multiply one more car, one more boy. That is not possible. It is possible. That's how it should be done.
Doctor Engineer Nana Tuata, also a shell. That's fine. Go on your mind.
That's why MC and
government. Yeah. Go on your mind. Listening to your program, what's the indicator for quality education? Does it include results? Have we been evaluating the performance of our students within the 4 years? What's it I mean? So one of his areas of the judge quality. Okay,
results. And education. Maybe
to what?
Who program the results and the
indicator. Senior Baby, I mean, yes, I agree. Said the results from the schools. Some of the indicators are the market. And when you say quite year and say quay. But the couldn't be arguing say there are certain influences be a put you up and as a man we put you up. More students now. What TV? I mean, you so dear, some qualabe any more so much penny for no. But because of those influences in a buy in then colani be yamoto so one more toast on it. I mine. Ekoba said the almost woman that's what they catch up and we saw them misbehaving. So what is it?
But no, which yes, the results will never determine say system near papa and papa.
I'm not saying anything different from what you are saying.
We are
LGBT. I'm not saying anything different from what you are saying.
LGBTQ ICTY.
What's that?
Q plus the maker was it.
Hey, you're ready, man. Nah, no, I'm saying about Catholic for instance, the books are good for do by inconsistent LGBT comments. Now, certain now don't condemn that. nti oka say inconsistency that's why condemn people na say no working before
condemn na no better this saw them or say papa krenye na penso so we president
okay all right so now let me go all right easy
lawyer good nice person
very good so now jina bia obi enu a
educated very handsome man
we jina bia obi enu a oh o man he na wase den wase obeka na wo he
na penso dey o say matter is asafu
before some comment asafu now we no opportunity to talk about it now yes we no opportunity then can say it is bound to happen in this country because pressure be my yentia force be able to push me side na ban e maye ye to ya no gu no so twa no and man be do of okosana no and was a third opportunity tenie when a third opportunity to speak to power Vice President of America and the President Nemu.
No, but what's your problem? That is with the legislators, our position they may determine what the country is moving. Maybe position.
Would you have said that?
No, I'm saying what's
so when I go as President of Ghana, His Excellency no address Ghana for
the President. I have my position.
Now make I want to see if you were to be the one.
So he has said that, and it is true.
Did you hear him saying, oh, it's not even the government that has put it out there, but private members.
That is the fact.
You see, that is where I have problem with this man. Who told you Kamala Harris needed that answer for I mean, what were they then?
That's why
me
who saw me
the count so we da fema pono ne Sam George no and ye evil to all na kotwem na bra na asitano no if you are a person who can speak but speak timidly to issues of this nature timid no I mean the answer wasn't right
if the answer was not right timidity does not come in that's why he has that's the way he's choosing to
fine but you see Ghanaians and including the Catholic bishops were expecting to say something else. The
NDC and the think-alikes were expecting that the president should have been XYZ.
Who are the think-alikes?
Say Biamusu say Adebi was a coca wanka.
Microphone casting candidates for Yasma California casting.
Dr. Engineer